We're talking about the $20,000 people.
He might try change him.
None of them, no NHT in our park.
NHT now give a right as so.
That's why I say, you see, liar walk with thief. And then liar the thief come for lie, thief and destroy.
This is what I do. This is what I do.
And we're going to talk about JLP people, liar than thief.
I'm a queer from
Pick the beam out of the year before the pick it the next man, yeah.
Marley, the first mayor for you. Make me hear what you.
I hate them, I see.
No, I know I hate them, Marley. I know I hate them. Don't put to this. Don't hate them.
Me hate liar, man. Me hate liar. Man, liar. You know, me there, they look for in grab and they say, how can a man listen they talk about money? When I understand why they say no. But when I go back and look and tell lies, say never say it.
A west side you come from,
Me they wash and me they notice me for a long time.
Marlene, you sound like a west.
You think they never write them, you're not clean, but you're lucky.
Yeah, hear me, Marlene?
I know me.
Yeah, man, me hear in your voice, me know.
Marlene, unmute your mic. Press the mic, Marlene.
For me here,
Marlene, press the mic. Marlene,
my internet, me see the request before coming like me internet the chip out, man.
Marlene.
But me I try catch up with Wagwan. Why Ingram over here?
Then I comment with our spread propaganda. I will have to shut it down.
Hello, Peter. Hello, Peter.
Tired, I want him come out of box.
I'm breaking news.
Man.
Up top, what is the breaking news? My career.
Come, you want come in a box up top? Come.
Take him out and put him up top.
Marlene, I'm going to hold on. Marlene, I'm going to click your box and you open the mic.
Yes, guys. Hello?
Yeah, man, we're hearing you, bro.
Yeah. Did you guys hear about the shooting in Mandeville, the Mandeville market?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
What's going on? What is really going on?
The orange ranger, they might turn up the thing.
Yes, man. They are behind it big time.
Yes.
You know, it's a political
territory.
Remember when such man said, them now go let it go, so we have to get wicked pan them.
Okay. And when they say they say wicked pan them, we all get wicked pan them. The thing that come out of my head. Jesus Christ, and it turn it up.
You understand? You have to be careful what you say out of your mouth as a leader, you know, because people, even if you're not, you didn't mean it that way, but people will. You understand? You know how. I don't know, man. What's going on? Politics is behind it, man. Something is going on. The ignorance of this man. I thought Peter Phillips was bad, but this man is the worst.
I feel like Satan Campbell behind it. Enough.
It was yesterday where Strong was talking about the crime rate and how it's coming down and talk about the new policemen and women who join the force.
Guys, remember that the PNP showed us their crime plan on September the 15th. You know? That is their crime plan, right? Presenting criminals, hardcore criminals, regular crime, like, you know, lawbreakers, people who are run through tolls and I drive on soft shoulders. I try to cut out traffic and all of them shit there. Yeah? Murderers, drug pushers. That is what that's their crime plan they presented to the Jamaican people. That is what they presented to the police who are trying to get rid of these criminals. You think the police then now feel a way about that? Them are gonna see how
Philippian, I am scared I am scared because when you're here, when you see what go on, you have some set of people in a country and it's just one set. We have some people in the country where them just believe so. We have to get Andrew out. If I by force any means, we have to get him. And that's why I want to look up on the PNP live and hear when them attack, how them aggressive. Them feel like when they hear them talk about Andrew, them are telling about start on his mother. Them are use like some of them are say shot me one, some of them are. And I am scared as a Jamaican, I'm scared what this man I do so bad that them are talk, you know, that they anger there.
Politics. Ingram have a question for you in the comment section.
No, don't play the roaches. Don't play the garbage anymore. I took out the trash already. Let it stay down there. Notice I put you up in the box. We not discuss that. We don't listen.
I always protect myself first. I'm not talking anything. But I am scared, guy. I am scared because them want to try everything. Lie, everything. And you know what I'm scared about? When Andrew start up in campaign, what will happen? Because the momentum
Big stone them a go think pan way. Be a big
the
stone.
momentum when Andrew go have, them a go see say them a lose. When Andrew start up in campaign, the crowd we am a go have, them a go see say they in a trouble. And that's what I'm scared about. That's what I'm scared about.
Politics. Hear what the thing is gonna boil down to. You hear me? You know when any one of the US president is going to anywhere, like you know it's a political heat in the US now. So what happened before any one of the candidates go anywhere? Them have to send some special people where they go map out the area and ensure and have some secret.
Them do it in a Jamaica too, you know. 'Cause I remember one time.
Them that is go back down to. It never used to happen, but based on what me see are going right now, that is what is going to happen. Because the other day, you know, I was watching Andrew Holness in St. Anne's, and you know, something come to my mind. There was just a spirit in me. My blood just run cold immediately when me hear my talk, and my head like me see a ghost, like some evil. Somebody was in the vicinity with some evil thoughts. And I say all I could just say to myself, so just cover him, Jesus. Me not normally get them feelings there. You understand? Because you know why it come up and me like that? Because of the type of political nastiness where the leader of the opposition and their supporters are trying to bring to the people of Jamaica. They're trying to bring back Jamaica to the 1980s when Jamaicans were politically dark. You understand? All because Mark Golden and in Crobates need state power. This white man, we don't know where he come from.
Exactly.
He doesn't believe. We don't know where he come from. He does not belong into our society. If you put him into the midst of all persons who are born under the sun in Jamaica, you can tell the difference. You understand? This man cannot speak like us. He doesn't know nothing about us. This man don't know nothing concerning Jamaica. Because look what he did in Parliament the other day. If he knew anything about Jamaica, he wouldn't have gone to carry such acting in Parliament.
I just thought about Parliament of that more because a lot of people get this wrong. Even though for sure so them now nothing to hide. Even though them fi send it 2 days before Parliament. The Juliet Olney, the Speaker of the House, that will give him a chance to debate it. She went outside to look over, and when she done and a walker come in, she tell them what she gonna do, and she will give them a chance to debate. But guess what? They did that. Them no say.
It was a planned politics.
Never right. So guess what? They did not go to really debate, because they know say they go shut down. Matter of fact, how can you move a motion when you have 40? They really take Jamaica people for fool that you have
That
40
is it.
MP. And so all of this them do just to get the media attention. And because when them have banned them and everywhere them go, the media. I'm not calling on media station, but you have some media station, everywhere them go, the media station, they back at them. That's why
We know who they are, man. We know who they are.
When them go say to Hanover,
Good morning, guys.
when them go not Hanover, Portland, you find out say one of the news station I call Anne Marie. Jamaica is a every day, every time one MP going, that's nothing normal. That's nothing unnormal. Why you ever call a woman? Why you ever call
That you don't answer.
Why you ever call a woman? What she ever come say? Exactly, I'm glad she not answer. So that's what I'm saying that's what I'm saying, people. That's how them behave. Them are follow.
Politics. Good morning. Not to cut you, but anyone Unstoppable Petrol. I don't know if you see it or you did hear the Politics Uncovered.
Original.
Politics Uncovered had a YouTube that she was discussing the other night. I didn't went on the YouTube, but yesterday I was listening to what was said on the program, and there was this young lady. It's not a young lady.
Why on the top of his screen?
Liz was on the platform. This young lady, Liz Karen Cross, and they were discussing the secret plots of the PNP to overthrow.
Alright, one I think me I gotta tell you was just say, be careful how you repeat with those persons.
Yes, but I just want to point out one little part because I'm not going to repeat everything. She was given an history. She was given an history way back from Bunting, how he aspired to politics. But the part that scares me, and with what is happening today in our society and in government and what they are doing between Margot, the other party there, is when she said when his mother died, he cried and make her a promise that he must become government because he never get to make prime minister before she died. So that scares me. So whatever by any means necessary, but because he don't have a seat now and he's nowhere per se in the party, this is so scary that he's using this Iman Mark Golden now. Behind Mark Golden is him with his finger in his neck, pushing him to do whatever because this is what he aspired to become, Prime Minister of Jamaica. So I'm just saying, it's not only Mark alone, because we maybe just see him up front. But based on him taking that crying like a ritual, this is very serious, and it scared me to every V and every blood in my, because these people are wicked. They will stop at any length, stop at nothing.
They said Mark is pushing, Bunting is pushing Mark.
No, well, I am saying maybe he's the major person behind Mark because of
may I understand.
you understand?
Friend, yes, in long time. Dead and is behind him as well.
Floyd. Because one of the things, alright, so I always tell people that you see lawsuit is real, whether we want to believe it or not. You see those persons, I'm not telling us to not listen to them, but everything them, because them would have know more than we, because them did in there. You understand? They're in the PMP, so them know inside out. So they will come on their live and talk some things. We now want to take up here and run with it. Make them, you can even share with them say if you want, because then you say it at them. But if you come on live and say it, then we have to be careful. That's just my simple.
Me not say nothing because, well, maybe Flowers have a block me next. Me not say nothing. But me know say as soon as somebody who them want in the orange side come and you know them like them and then can lead the orange people, them are go back to blogging to them orange people.
I'm glad you said that, yes. I'm glad you said that. And that's what we need to understand. That those persons are not JLP.
The way how Mark Golden is hungry for power, don't be surprised if I not him sacrifice his mother.
And that they said to answer me, but we can't say it out loud.
Why?
Don't be surprised.
But it's a sacrifice in vain, cause it no go work. Big up yourself.
Don't be surprised. You hear me tell you? Don't be surprised.
We in a just not cover. Him not forget that JLP Prime Minister.
Anybody here if if Munchie get her lawsuit, if the lawsuit served to Munchie already?
Well, last night at that particular place and somebody are listening. I may laugh, I may say, you see how them say donkey say on a level. That young man call everybody name in a worse way. Look how he do it, Prime Minister. And now him get that taste and own medicine and cry like baby. But that's it. If we get a war.
So go on. So what do they do? Them swim?
Him say I take out lawsuit for Munchie. Years.
So him get a own taste and medicine. And I try.
No, man, he need him look money if you go buy a good bed and fix up him out and sit.
But other than that, I will hurt him and she's sitting in the one room for chew with the whole party and the man can't turn. So when she said that, it looked like he hurt him. So he might run out both. He want to take out lawsuit for the fear.
So when the gone viral, everybody knew you do that gone viral.
Boy, Munchie rank, but you know, man, I wish no, sir. When somebody can rank someone, not too much rankness. Munchie rank, but man, I wish you get me.
Careful, people.
No, she not rank, she just sassy.
Hey guys, mad people can't carry a quote.
We never do that in a petal, so.
Because guess what now? Remember, say when you always a trouble the Prime Minister and the First Lady, he said nothing can come here because I have mental illness. Remember, he said so. All the guy.
Yeah, remember when doing Rhoda too?
The guy went, the Prime Minister. The guy went to check the Prime Minister about. Then again, you know, if you have mental health and if a doctor declare that he's mentally disabled, nothing going come of it, you know. So make it crutches go on. Since him not making proof say no mad. Making care Munchie go on. Cause one thing care Munchie gonna court, everybody else can carry him. You can't wait.
But we know say I frighten him, I try frighten the Munchie, see if they can. Cause that them do you know.
Politics. Well, I'm a friend, yes or no, nobody afraid of him. Nobody.
But to be honest, guy, we know years the guy come on and say I worry JLP in trouble. What kind of trouble JLP, you know? Yeah, so that's how them reason, you know, that's how them move. Them can't look to see what government do. and say, and you know who me I go blame? Me not even talk about them. You know. You see the middle class people them at them me a beat. The one them was sit down in their house. The one them were couple year back nothing and I go on for them now. Them can add on a washroom. Them can go a progressive and champion and them place they go shopping.
And some of them, the private sector, them too.
Yeah man, all of them.
And I'm price smart.
Yeah, and price smart and them can send them children a prep school and them a live certain life and them at them me a beat cause them sit down. Oh, I'm gonna be good politics. Anybody want win at them I
Them business. Them business. And them are raising benefit, but them not coming out to
Them kind of. When you hear prep class,
when you hear prep school fee, and everybody has sent them to go school fee.
Yeah.
One time hairdresser couldn't buy one car. No, every hairdresser, every little boy, every young people I buy one car, and yet still them say nothing now go on. And everybody can trust car and pay for it.
Yeah, that's why I may be the mega class. Them may I go utter. You want them when I go cause guess what? You see, some of them, you know, them already, them can't cheat every time I look back on it. Guy, when I watch the news and see people them will come meet the candidate at Portland. Everybody
the no teeth people them, the old dinosaur them when they have no teeth. I may say, look how one chance to smile. I give you and all of them sit down to Portland without teeth.
Politics, me want you leave me Portland people them alone.
Look here, Alexi this, you need to go to Portland. Go. Alexi.
Alexi.
Make them go. You need to go tell them about the program.
The people they don't want no teeth. You know, hear a man say, anybody come, then welcome them. So no matter who they send come, they. Me I listen to that song where say about progress, and me coulda almost hear the song say we not like progress.
Anybody you send come, so long as a representative.
Yes.
If I even want dog, then dress up and send come. So long as them have a representative, no
the
man.
Say, anybody who come, we welcome them. Anybody come, we welcome them.
The government, them people now got change, so that's why we are plead to the middle class people. Wanna know say, wanna put up washroom, wanna refurbish a house, you like all piece of car wanna use to drive. Una drive a nice Honda Fit, una drive a nice Mark X, una drive so nice car now. The car we used to have broke down on the road, una now in another position there again. And una always say in a business who want win. Una always una vote. We are say una need to look in on yourself. And look what we did have then I wanna have now and do the right thing and go vote for JLP. Because whether we like it or not, the people without teeth, the deity, they like command them
We don't care who I represent them.
Them not change from PNP.
Politics, let me say this. When the by-election in Portland and Genuineness and the whole of them down here a campaign, me get to understand, so they stop at a shop and they were talking to some people. I guess there were some elderly persons. And the lady say, look here, me a PNP and a one way me ever vote from me a vote. See some young people up there so they go and go talk to them. Tell them to vote for Uno, but we vote for PNP, whether good or bad, because at the same thing are going to happen. They don't really care. Then just say them a PNP. And him say, go and go talk to you. Me are like our grandchildren, them and some other one. She said, go and go talk to the young people there, because we are PNP and we not change. Go and not be so to the young people there. Talk to them.
As I said, I think that if you not look, remember, so see Anne-Marie come in, Michelle Charles, all of them. You always find one parish never just swing go straight. JLP, you know. You always find one little constituency where hold on to PNP strong. Look at even Michael, the Prime Minister constituency. Find one division, you know, where no care what Andrew do.
No care what.
Andrew go down there and then stone him. Them
and make we not sit down on this thing and say Portland people now Lego and Marino. Remember me tell you, she have to go work and she have to go get some people willing to work the ground with her because you see them people here. Remember me tell you, I know you know just easy if you say, oh, she do a lot of work and so she can't lose. Them people here we just no go vote, then we switch. Member say this was their seat for over 18 years. So a lot of things did they put in a consideration. We can't just free up and say, oh, they can't win. No, we can't do that. Because you see the strongest support of them come from in the town, and it is a PNP division in the local government election. The two strongest part them, and they have two division and the two strongest parts.
Yeah, man.
So that's where my fear comes in for the Port Antonio division. Because them unknown PNP and them councillors are PNP. But me surprised, they may not see the councillor too in and up with this man at the moment. So I don't know.
And you don't think them never win Port Antonio.
No man, they win
JLP.
No, PNP of Port Antonio.
It's always I mean the one, you always a PNP division, right?
Yeah. So this side have 5 division. So JLP have 3 and them have 2.
Oh, okay.
But Port Antonio is the big division and they have that division.
The only thing though, JLP improve in a Port Antonio. Even though
yes, but you see a lot of those JLP, that are those persons, they supported Anne-Marie in the last election. So now we don't know what can happen. That's what I'm saying.
Well, we are be optimistic,
Then can go back to the old route or then can carry on.
And we know, so we are free. So she have to go. She don't work hard again. She have to go triple time the work now.
Right.
And sing.
Because as me say, the fear
people easily sway and their mind will sway.
Right. The fear is really in the Port Antonio division because
listen to the reasoning, but we can't analyze the other way.
Fellowship,
analyzing the negative.
Yeah,
fellowship, Ferial, and Manchineel, all good.
Yeah, may I agree with you. May I be optimistic? Say she a go prevail. Even though I say one group, if people ungrateful, well, not ungrateful, then just go away, you win.
Yes, it's not the optimism, you know, because we all know that, but we know the people them ungrateful to their core, you know.
Exactly.
So, me and one group that say Anne-Marie can't lose. And now, I see them with Buchanan. One famous group on that side.
That's what I tell you, say, Port Antonio have a strong influence. So that's how she needs to.
But somehow I believe she are going to win.
I believe she are going to come on victorious, you know, we just have one. Just all the people that are grateful.
I believe because I was reading the thing, the last election, general election, she got 1,900 and something vote, almost 2,000. So this man have to go try get them 2,000 vote the plus more in order to win, which me doubt him can get.
Alright, to me.
From the area, Nicole.
Right.
Yeah, but Damien was more popular than this fellow.
Exactly.
And if Damien
one of the things is you have to remember, say this person have a person behind him.
It doesn't matter.
You are saying that, but
No,
you person with money.
I think we're not crediting him with a whole with them people them
We're not
people
crediting him, we are just talking
bigger
the
people
truth.
with bigger people in Portland who have more money than him
That
cannot
no,
influence
yes,
other
coming
people.
here.
Yeah.
Yes,
When I-
Zanja, correct.
Zanja, you
Yes.
have a point. Zanja,
Yes, you have
a
people with more money we can influence people.
Hold on. To me, and this is me not see no threat of Portland as yet. Me no know if never see it, but to me, Portland, the 2 seat would have well in the JLP corner.
And I agree with you, politics, but what I'm saying is that we cannot just be saying that and just fall with and leave it like
No, but
that.
we know say Anne Marie's a work and Nicole.
Yeah, but we're not doing that.
Because the person is saying that people of Portland have money where not bring influence. But me I say a lot of people are go. If you listen one of the video when Isaac down here, one lady, somebody asked her, why you never bring cartel? A cartel me come fi see, you know. So even though somebody down here have money, you see the influence, a cartel that they might look fine. They never business. They never
And again, I think you're attributing this credit to it. No, not really matter.
No, but
There's nothing to say that he's gonna sway anybody anywhere.
But let's face it, guys. Anybody would want to see cartel, because some people never see cartel. That no means an election day. Because cartel himself say him not in a Labour PNP.
That's what I'm saying. No, it don't mean that them are gonna vote because of cartel.
Yeah, so and she a work. Me see what they should put up on. Me no know the Portland like that.
I agree with you, but what I'm trying
Politics,
to say,
Zanda, you know, the other day I see one gentleman
Let me
come out and say, we're the party. Let me just say this. And he was on a clipping and he was saying, for how much years now they can't no development. Now they are Portland. And me just sit down and me sick to my stomach and me quench. And he was showing that no development that they are Portland, why we can't have some 5-star hotel and some investor I come look for any hotel or any big hotel at Portland like where them go look do down at the North Coast or Montego Bay. So nothing is happening in Portland. You understand? I may say, oh my goodness. You know? So you still have some people that is so ungrateful that is looking for
no, but we can't look
for manna to fall.
Yeah, but you saw that is one person that you saw. I can also tell you of one that I saw.
That's a man.
Right.
Someone not run with the member saying the country consists of 2 parties. So in a Portland, you are gonna have well over 5,000 people. Just as an example, support. PNP, so if PNP keep a meeting, it's going to be a strong turnout. If JLP keep a strong meeting, it's going to be a strong turnout. So we can't look at one somebody make one video and talk and we come with it. No. One of the things me have to say, Anne-Marie Vaz there Portland, she do a center, she keep her concert, free concert. She do a lot of things. Me know in the parish a long time I no go to Portland. But me see it on social media, me hear people talk, me even hear PNP company live and say, oh, me sorry for her, even though the amount of work what she do, but she get shag. So that for sure, you say she work. And me not agree with her, go kill her for herself if win no seat. She do his job, if the people them not want to vote for her, well that's so you go. But being a human do her job, if them want to go back to where them a come from, they ain't go long back. Them go long back.
Right, I understand. I
Which
mean,
is
hear you,
right.
but the converse of that is also that I saw more than one videos of people in Portland who said that this guy coming up there and them a PNP. This guy coming up there and them him a PNP and them a vote for Anne-Marie.
No man, Anne-Marie no know. Me not see Anne-Marie no check. Me not believe the Portland.
Yeah, because I'm saying the guy coming up there and no matter who him want bring in now win.
Me not see. Me believe say the guy have influence but a wrong place they send him. him not go win this. Me I call that for you, JLP 100%. Yes, him I go bring out crowd. Yes, excitement. All right, wanna remember? All right,
Yeah.
remember
So I
when
remember so when Damien did up there now. Damien got out 3,000 more votes than what Bloomfield got out, you know.
all right,
And him
but
still never win.
not only that,
3,000 more votes than what
not,
Bloomfield got. And he
not
still
only
lost.
not only that, look for Beanie, man. You remember when the young lady did that go up and Gillette name? That Gillette.
We're talking Crystal.
Crystal, Beanie Man. You remember how Beanie Man did it every day with her? One night time, I see them keep one something, an idea they keep. And when I see PNP, I say, man, at that time, I start say, say, look at PNP, I go take the seat. Look on the election day.
Up at Cuthbert?
Yes.
The man, they might keep party and I have day rave. And I
Yes.
do all, you know, sister from that girl, like, go call the Prime Minister Hitler. Is that the girl like curse? Our life
Yes,
she just mash
Petal.
up.
Yes.
She
Yes.
just mash up.
Everything just went downhill for her. Is now she may be bouncing back. You see her on two
Hold on
little
there.
platform and interview.
Manso, God, yeah, make me tell you, don't make me tell you something, but add your way. Add your way. Sure. Talk your flowers.
Yeah, it just look like I know she have two little bounce back. She had the two little seminars and all of these things. You see her one about the place. Like she just restore her life back. Huh?
But what we
You
have to
understand?
know, we can't, at the end of the day, people know if you vote for, because me did kind of feel coward. Then, no man, look, man, rural, how we crowd that come out. And me can't remember our day, man. I don't know if you remember that meeting when Beanie Man up on stage and the party president never did it. But when you look, I want to play field. Even did like 4 people today, them did have to put one line like you have VIP, something like that. But me I tell you, say it did huge. It did huge. And me I said, no man. Angela win by over 2,000 votes. So Jamaica people know them have vote for now.
But politics, did you know that the first election, Juliet won, and then the second, them say she buy her vote them, and then the next election, them say she can't win, and she win by more vote that she won the first one.
Yeah, that's what I tell you, say. People will, you see, I can't tell you, say, people will go at it. If because you have some people say, you know, say, me and none of them in the army, I vote for that party, but me love that party, the vibe. You ever hear people comment and say, me a JLP, but me love PNP vibe, me a PNP, but me love JLP vibe. So, some people go with the vibe, but on election day, them not normally vote for that
And
side.
maybe yes, as you say, politics is voting count. And no matter the crowd, you have to turn up for vote, and some people still don't have a vote, whichever side, because some people still not taking the time to go process what they need to do.
And one of the things you have to look on the election day, the workers who can bring out, who can, because at election day, no guy, nobody take it simple, no guy, you have to go up to a man too and remind him what happened. Like, you say, man, remember how the road I did bad in and so you can't, that's why on the ground you want some people with good communication skill, you know, just want anybody for run with it.
Politics, you know what I think they need to do? When they have these meeting, whether in the division or whatever, the small meetings, not the big mass meeting. When they have those meetings or when them going do the house to house thing, show the people them how to mark them X, especially the elderly persons. Put one something, give them one piece of paper like it's a practical thing. Make them mark the X and you see, oh, then can mark it.
I agree with you.
And then if you realize that then don't do it properly, then you know say you have to find one of your runner or whatever your party
somewhere
work
look
at
like
them.
ballots where yeah,
Fi
somewhere look
you
piece of
know say
paper.
an election day, you have to go help Miss Mary, you have to go help Mr. Jane or whatever. So you know say them people are not gonna mark the X. Because one of the thing is when we look, we say, oh, 50 people gonna vote and we have 50 JLP vote. But when them box they pull and you start count the ballot then reject.
Yeah,
That
you're
not help.
right. I agree with you on that. I agree. That's something we need to look on. But there's a lot of things. That's why I want to talk to the big boss. Because there's a lot of little things. Even some of my polling station where them a move and them look at something. We have to, because you see, if a man I go all out to win an election in him, I go do all kind of things up to the party if you look out of them eyes and see what
You
go
see,
on.
evil, yes, politics, that is so true. And Nicolene made a very good point. You see, even some of the polling station with the scrutineers, where especially the scrutineers that are not veteran, because you know you get new people coming on board. You have to have some serious meeting and like to train them what to look out for, because some of them is not vigilant and some of the veteran them in the space when they really know that you're new and maybe you not so understand them try to bully you. You understand, to draw wool over your eye to do whatever them need to do, especially when you're in a diarrhea zone as a labor right. You understand? So we think we need, even on when that time is coming, we need for some more underground training like for those persons.
Yeah. Because, you know,
We
you
need, yeah.
that terminal, so we have to, you see, like how them
You have
want
to pull out all the stuff.
more.
You have to pull out all the stuff.
See, like how them want it, we want it more, because we see what the government do, we see what we want, so we can't play dead and believe so them are going to play nice. No, we see it. When you hear a man can come past stage, we are going to get wicked on them, what that tell you? You understand, guy?
Yeah, this is serious. This is
When a
serious.
man
Every day,
come past
yeah.
stage, you know, man, so we are going to get wicked on them. Whenever you know opposition set at things like that. So that for sure.
I know only say wicked pan them in a politics. Him say we have to go pan the labor right them, you know. Him say that, you know. You understand? Him say him have to
Yeah, and
get
you know,
wicked pan the
he
labor
is
right
relentless
them.
he is relentless in his
Yes.
pursuit. When you see him
Yeah.
go do a parliament the other day,
Mm-hmm.
you understand me? Because with the 14 of them on the side and the 14 of them not even did present.
No, but look on them out the door. Look at them, look happy to you. Talk it through, look on them. They look like them be the one out there. Look on them face.
Even so, them still out there.
Them
Yeah,
are the
but
Simon
it just
say
show you.
politics. Simon say.
It just show you what we up again.
You understand me? He's relentless and he will stop at nothing. I do not like this guy. I don't like him.
Now we have an election to win, and all of we have to come together. You saw them a pressure Andrew Holness because they know say they cannot win an election with Andrew Holness today. So that's why you see Ingram, them give them a script, you know, that's why they come out. You see, here him said nobody never say Andrew thief bolt money. You don't hear that all over upon their life?
All over on them live, them say both want back him money and forgive back both him
Let me
money
say a
and
pink wall. Let me say a pink wall. Put it up on Facebook.
Till now, them say both making comments each day. Both are make posts, and now them a say the post now like them a turn it that it's referring to the money the Prime Minister thief Bolt money. If we don't see what happen, You understand? Every day they have it on their platform as they go. Every day they have it on their platform.
Hold on, let me hear from Oyen. I must, normally come in a box and I must hear. Oyen, unmute your mic. Just press the button, the speaker like. Me wonder if Erica, them man and I come in a box now.
When me work in a election, when them a count ballot and me see this rejected ballot them, you know it pain me heart. Is that me want ball?
Yeah, that's a me. To me, always afraid when they go a recount, cause I must younger for this good time. You
Me
can
not
correct
talk about recount politics. Me
No,
work,
me mean
me
the
work,
spoil.
you know.
No, what me I say when it close the spoil ballot. Me
Oh, when it
always
close.
afraid when they go a recount, cause in the
Yeah.
last I must younger. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think I'm go Danny, the one at Westmoreland. They doing a recount, but most time when they go a recount, you know it's a PNP gonna come out. So
Me
always
think
love
they need
recount.
to move away from X though. Not even if them not move away from X. Once them see say right, they say your intent to put your
Man,
mark,
exactly.
whatever it look like, if
Yeah,
you not
yeah,
cross properly or
exactly.
whatever, them still count it.
Or to me, what them fi do, as long as you over PNP, JLP, make it stay.
Yeah, that me think too. The one where them fi reject if there is no mark or if it mark at both places. But once
You mute petal with a mute, open the mic now, yeah.
aside this me I put it, count it because it's a mark. Whether it's a hex, it's a tick, it's a circle, from the mark there is a mark.
Me believe in that.
Politics. When you have up the something with Ingram, wait I said today is the last day for the grant. Anybody will come on when I know the story. Them are gonna believe say it's true.
Well, yeah, you're right. Make me move, you're right. But guy, we just see that show how Ingram lie.
See a bit for draft it when you approve it or in lie.
Yeah. Why we put your guy Ingram
No.
come and I say today are the last for the grant. And when Philippine and so come on and I say a lie. Him man that take God off her cross. Say him never say it. So we draw for the proof and put up he say, if you ever know how far we have to go in a comment, we see it back. To say a lie I tell. That's how them lie. Them come and say things and then them change. The good thing we did have a proof we put back. Alright, go ahead, people. Continue conversation.
With the $20,000 something, but there's a person where turning them what NIS card 2023 NIS card, something like that. You know anything about that part politics or anybody?
There's nothing about any NIS card. What you talking about?
Huh?
What you say?
I think they said like self-employed persons who
must have filed their statutory deductions by August gone this so.
Yeah, who turn in the 2023 stamp card.
I don't know about stamp card, but you must have filed your statutory deductions by August.
Oh, me think me hearing I just say something about some stamp cards.
I don't know about that. I don't know about that. But you must have filed by August gone. Because normally the cutoff time for the fiscal is March. But them put it, some people might be late, so them put it down to August. So you must have filed at least by August if you're self-employed in order to benefit from the grant.
If you're self-employed and not okay.
Oh,
Yeah, but
You know,
yeah,
this morning, I went to do my nails and tell my nail tech, and she says, "She want me say yes." She said, "I'm gonna file for mine. I'm
I
gonna
bet you
file."
she want JLP, though.
No,
I
she's
said,
not. You're not
really?
JP. Cause they in a Andrew neck like whoa, she a Christian. She said, but everything there in a Andrew neck, where the worst thing I am to Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. Cause sometimes I have to just give it to her. This, but me I have to just tell her. So when a
Sometimes I
country
tell
is
JLP,
developing,
them always
no
know.
man.
You see JLP?
So
When they
she
come
said she a
on.
Christian, she'd go like she know business with the world. But
Okay.
then she when me go there, me ever talk my politics because her husband a JLP. All them come from down in the altar
Yeah, man, I know say some
at the thing.
JLP connection. That's a JLP.
Her
You see
husband a JLP
anything,
man, but
anything come
she's
out,
not. She's
anything
not,
come out.
and then yeah, she's a Christian, she not really talk politics or but
Well, on there, Floyd. Margaret, you have time, can I come and explain? Or take a minute and come, because we want JP people to get the accurate of this. I know you're always busy, but if you can get a... Sir Ken, what go on?
Yes, afternoon, guys. I'm not sure if the connection is good because I'm on the road. But you
Yeah,
have
we're
some
hearing you,
persons
we're hearing you.
that are self-employed, like little people them will sell and so. Once them a contribute to NIS, usually them have a card where them buy the stamp and put in it, so then go to the post office, buy the stamp, put it on the card, so they can buy it for the 52 weeks. So once they're doing that, they can apply as well. So they'll not just probably turn in the card at the tax office, and then they can apply. So that is how the stamp card come in.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
that's what I was
okay.
asking. Because I know
Yes.
somebody, they have the
So
stamp
like them
card,
little
but they,
people who selling little something on the street, once them a contribute to NIS, they can apply.
Okay. And I guess a lot of people don't know that, so I'm glad you can come and clear up with here.
yeah, guys, that's what I was saying. Nigel was saying something about once you turn in the 2023 stamp card, but I wasn't quite sure because somebody was trying it, but they said it rejected because they do the stamp card something. So I don't know.
Okay. Ken, for your compound we live, you don't know some man a classic. And Ken, guys, you not hear me?
yes I am.
Yes.
No, me I ask Ken if him a compound we live, him don't know some man a classic.
Can drunk, can block up.
He looks so. Oh, Ken, now ramp with the vote to the Ken again, Marine vote. Remember that. I wonder if I change my vote though.
Can open your mic and talk. Where I bring it
From what to what?
Huh?
Him a bring it come up Portland.
Yeah, can I go up Portland? It still can happen though. The deadline of party.
Depends on when the election a call.
You know, me never have that problem. Me never have that problem there yet, Never. From me have sense and can vote. Me never have that problem. Because as me move, go somewhere my vote change. My ID change. No.
Morning,
As me
morning.
reach
Sorry.
morning.
Ken, me I say for your company live, you don't know so me a classic.
Politics.
Let's say easy.
No, because I just come on, I thought it was classic on. So I was doing something, so I was sorry about that. How you guys doing?
We there talk, man, I thought. So how them want bring down Honorable Andrew? We are stand. We are dip on the live. We are take out. And I like we don't have nothing to do, no guy. We have work, but we are take little time. When me look, why me go live? You know, me talk to the guy. Me talk to you over how I know first, man.
First time commentary, do a running commentary.
And I let nobody in the back. Me come on and me never plan to go live.
Okay.
But me check and me not see nobody go live. And we can't give up his space, guy. We have to dip on it. We can't lay back. That's why I say somehow, and everybody can do live. But when I do video, man, and post up it. Because you say if you don't do one video, even if they come on night and a cussing in it, you know what them are do? A spread if you go out. So I'm not afraid of them, man. Don't no video.
Yeah,
Politics, good afternoon. Because I work with them. I just want to say something quick on your life.
Go ahead.
Me have a challenge. Me have 500 US where they catch me hand, and me want any comrade, Philippine, you'll be one of the judge. Any comrade will come in at the box and can identify where Andrew thief and the taxpayer and SSL, they get the 500 US dollars.
Not have so much, but we put on 200 on it.
Yes, any comrade. That's my challenge for anyone at the JLP live. Any comrade we can come up in the box and tell we where Andrew thief and the taxpayer and SSL, they get the money.
Yeah, may have $200 put on can put on it.
So any comrades in the chat wanna come up in the box. Come out always left an empty box.
Hey, them have receipt too.
Yes, they have to come with the facts.
You have Claudette?
500 US.
Alright, so that's our 700.
So any comrade will have the facts and say Andrew thief SSL and from the thief and the taxpayer, me want them come up in the box and come with the facts and they get the money.
Yeah. And not only get the money too, them are gonna get me a vote too.
So we just want to keep running in the something.
Wicked, man.
Any one of them will have the facts and everything and can prove Andrew thief and the taxpayer SSL on a jump in the box right now.
But I don't know if it's surprised though, that's every good person them
Come down and give them my box right now.
Me I come down and give them my box too.
All them are say man thief. There is no they can't come with no. At first me hear them mess up me man thief, but then can't say when thief then you see.
So anytime you start your live, me want you say that if the first things that you have, me have 500 US. They catch me hand right now for any comrade. Any comrade they come with the facts. So when you start the live them nowadays, when you put out that for me. Me say that. Me Claudette Brown said that. Tell them if you come with the facts and everything and then get the money. No joke about it. No walk over this.
You're fool. A man turned down him increase. So why would I got government money?
Wicked and then feel so they can bring him down, but they can't. Because with 100 behind him. A matter of fact, 1,000 behind him.
Exactly. No, yeah, that.
So, you say if I knew say he might put up in land title to pay Andrew legal fees.
No, them not.
You hear them the elderly talk, now take them for joke.
You understand? And they don't want him now to seek legal review of what they are saying. Everybody know why him gone and take him out to higher court. So why you just want to beat somebody and lie on them and them not to take it further?
Exactly.
Them must just take what you say.
We not listen to them. You see Mark Golding people then come out. You see God show him sign the people then come out in a jungle upon him so they not vote for him. Most of these people, you know, they get bad up by dance. That's why they go.
You get shot in him head down there and him never got up there.
At first, man, yeah, somebody come out.
It depends on TikTok for true.
The company news. So anytime you go start your live at daytime, just put up that say any comrade have the facts and can prove Andrew T from SSL and the taxpayer money, they get the money.
But you don't have much sense because if somebody investigated and when you see them put out appear, lie and foolishness, you can't add up. Why you would go back to make them investigate you again? Oh, that makes sense. Matter of fact, it's table of parliament. So once you reach parliament, then you don't have nothing more to do with it. It's
not true. Them is just wicked and they don't have no policies. So then feel to say them if come with them like for through them like crow bait them run with everything. And so then just come up with anything and dash out for them also then have them like illiterate when I read. No nothing, we just run with it. So they want to try if you bring down Andrew, but it not gonna work this time.
That's why I say them no. That's why me I plead to the mega class people. Me not no rich one. Them mega class people. If you come vote, cause that's what them do. Them know if you work and them know if you work and they look at people. Them.
But somebody, you know, say somebody middle class them illiterate too. They not read.
Yeah, man.
Some all who educated chat nonsense too.
So, Bolan Davis, don't block him. Let me talk to you. So, the Integrity Commission, you mean say, over our 3 years now, them are do it. Them not do their work. You see how that done?
But politics, Night Arc. If him not guilty, why is he blocking the IC? Night Arc, you want come up in our box, make me come down and you come tell me what I'm guilty with, what I'm doing.
Come in our box, and you see them, you know, say a keyboard them work.
You understand?
What you mean say the government must allow the IC? They already do their job, then get all
but they already do
overseas.
That. But is the, you see, Claudette, you see, that is the problem we have with our Jamaican people, you know, our people, because they just want to defame a certain things they are not seeing. Is the IC do the work, you know?
Understanding of
right, and once in the parliament, once in the parliament, the case done.
Nobody else do the work. And the IC do the work. And the IC do the investigation.
Let me come down and hear when defenses. Let me come down and hear when defenses. Because when the statement will make no sense.
No, I'm not going to come in the box. Trust me.
But remember saying once they put it out in a parliament, you know, the case done.
Jonathan, I said the same thing. The PA must allow the IC to do their job. But the IC do the job. So what are they saying again? At the IC table the report, at the IC said finish and put it on the table. At the IC was the judge. Why them not understand about that?
Then let me tell you
something. Just wicked.
Yes, when once the report is tabled in the parliament, it is complete.
But so at the IC table the report, you know, so and the IC end up the report to be table the report.
Right.
Put so in the parliament.
So you can okay, so like to carry out the investigation, you can liaise with other and work with other entities like the TAJ and the SID or whoever you in the law where you can work with, okay? So you can do this during the investigation, but once the report is tabled in the parliament, it is completed.
But when I think in the Philippines, here with them at the Philippines, you send your child at school. And the teacher gave me the exam, and maybe him get a good score, and you give him back to do over back with everything in front of him. Oh, that makes sense.
So now they have that Night Arc. Come up in the box.
Him never come.
Come up in the box. Come argue with us.
But you know, say yesterday I was listening to 411.
Jonathan. Explain
and you know say because they're not calculated properly, you know, they're not calculated properly.
I go block him then.
Oh yeah, block him.
Night Arc. I'm go block Jam the watchdog down there. The watch drunker. What's his name? Whatever, watch drunker. But if they're not, if they don't want to come in the box, it don't make no sense because come and present.
Illiterate
your
comrade where they commenting at this something. No come up, go and prove on yourself. Oh no come up, man.
No, them not.
If I the IC,
Mute them,
I the
Philippines, drop
judge.
them, mute them so they can come up.
You know what? The 700 US. Come up, come explain on yourself, man. And I know joke thing, you know, this is not a prank. Any comrade in the box.
The IC do the report, they are the judge.
Okay, Mickey
find
said
the jury and them.
ICC report is over. What do you mean? Come up in the box, Mickey. Come
I
tell.
thought you very much.
I want another comrade in
Me know exactly me know he is.
Now step away the bun.
I'm good.
I would have.
Who I play music in our box?
Them people outside of
Why?
She's just on respite.
in purpose, in
Magic.
on purpose.
Yeah, exactly.
The doctor is
Hi. Good afternoon.
I'll invite Mickey or Mikey.
Nah, come a long time we are inviting and
No,
Okay, himself, the IC. What name ICC, Integrity Commission?
lunch is here. So you're gonna have to wait.
What the next C fam? Somebody can help me out?
She's on respite, so we'll watch her.
No, theme language that.
Hi, the background, Planet, the background, mute until
The
there.
respite. You know why she's on respite? Sometimes family.
Alright, go ahead now.
Who is
Candy,
that?
what's going on?
I'm there. Just joining on the live. What the topic for today?
Classic, exactly classic. Exactly. Boy, poor.
Oh, the international.
Boy, what?
Oh, Mikey, me did a lie. You send it. Carla, me can borrow your box.
When I see no request.
Him a comrade, a cricket him a talk about.
Him, a cricket you talk about,
Look here,
Mikey?
leave people alone. But borrow box for comrade come up in a box. We are discussing, we are discussing.
Philippines,
discuss today.
can listen, me know say you know the policies and the program them inside out. Me not get to read me work the last couple of days, yeah, and the
No work.
When this, me would like to know when
No,
this integrity
no,
thing
sir.
ever done.
me know me when me there work me head a spin, me busy last couple of days, yeah. So me not read nothing about the money where the people them, the $20,000.
Oh, sometimes you have to get about that there. 'cause-
Pensioners can get it.
Who?
Pensioners.
Me not even know.
No, I think a tax return, once you pay tax, you file for your return.
Okay.
Mikey, me send a request now.
When Ken, I saw when them chat too much, they right all foolishness.
International cricket.
So, I mean, yes, the money with Mark Golden send over Bahamas, I have to build a house. So,
Yes,
you build a house out there.
Mikey, come tell us about that. Come in our box.
What am I telling about cricket?
How much the
20
cricket,
million
Mikey,
US dollar.
Yeah.
For Bahamas. $19 million so to pay for help with them parliament, upgrade them parliament.
Chuck, and we there, Mikey, always a come on with live. I run off him out.
He not come in our box. Make him do not chat here, Mikey, because you don't want to come up.
Him not gonna come in our box.
Me just see one video.
I want to talk about
Just see a
Mikey.
video of the PNP people them a protest.
You just see it?
Which part?
Yeah.
Which part of my
Don't Mark Golden, them say they don't want him back.
No,
And
them
then
say them
The year the lady just say, the lady just said it was on the news too.
yeah, them say they not vote.
But it's
Because him
surprise.
not come down there. I mean, yeah, somebody in the comment section I say.
It's
So what them a
surprise.
blame Mark Golden for, and Andrew them for blame.
But them not vote for Andrew, them vote for
You
Mark.
want to say, understand, Matt Golden don't care about in constituency, he just want power.
Philippian, when
That's all he need, he just
when me
need
see
power.
that, me I say,
But them people are really mad to fart. So
But
Andrew have
But
him one
remember, you know,
constituency and
guys,
him around the
remember
country.
when
one
you
at a
So
go
where you
back
have member of
hold on.
parliament for?
Exactly. So guys, remember, you know, we don't select the prime minister directly, you know. We select member of parliament, the members, and then based on the majority, that party forms the government. So we don't select the prime minister directly. We don't vote for him
Answer the
directly.
follow, friend. Guy,
But
follow
we
the
should.
page. Follow the page, guy.
So
Follow
me
the
hear one next. Me hear one next. Somebody say in a comment again. Say, instead about blame Andrew, cause Mark Gold in a win the seat, then can't be prime minister.
No man, them a go vote for him. You know. It's just that one side upset. Come here say he's a terrible MP. It's
No
just
man, people them a cuss
that
man.
it's just that them program the way there, so them a go vote for him. But
Yeah.
yes, I not pay them much mind. I don't know what truth is.
That's why I tell people, say, no, people not go vote for Mark Golden, you know, they might vote for PNP. He's not a charismatic leader. He's not even a leader. Them just seem as a, I don't know.
Mark Gold in a sense.
He's not likable.
If why him do Tuesday, me know say in a sense because he's a lawyer. So you know, so when something in the court, you cannot discuss it as a big liar. You tell me, say you know that?
He's just not likable.
You should not talk about something constructive, me John back the live. Can't tell me your PNP name and PNP name call around, make up like
No, but you have to spread the narrative, make people know say nothing no go so.
See my to what me know why you bought more than.
What the problem? How the people them long jungle are demonstrate? War go on and the woman a say much people are dead, innocent people are dead, and him no go down the put no policy in. So you know as a MP that say I get in the police force urgent, pan the matter calling some police and say
No, in can't. Your mad in can't bring in the police go down a jungle.
well, him not even sure him present the people them say Mark will not even come down here, come look and how we have vote for him and how we have put him there. If him even don't want bring in the police, him go down there. They done ask him, go on to the Dan, because the Dan them deal with him. Go on to the Dan, because they done ask you.
Who run around there?
You want him go to the Dan and next thing him not come back?
Garden, jungle, and them place there.
Can they want him go to the Dan and next thing him not come back? What is wrong with you?
But I did Dan vote for him, so I must go to the Dan. And them run down.
Mikey said one JLP girl said that. Go Mikey, you too lie. Oh, you know that.
You too lie.
Only to tribal, Mikey.
No, what people not
because even the woman with on the TV with the placard, she say, "I know Andrew no come." So yeah, tell me that I don't want PNP woman that. She not you want Andrew, I know Mark Golden come. So I want them I want JLP woman that, and the woman say she not vote again.
Sunday, we absence. No JLP can't go put up no placard in them place.
there.
None.
Which
None.
JLP can put up placard? You gonna get shot.
Where?
Mike, my name, Mikey or Mickey or whatever.
You're crazy. Which JLP can check out when an election?
Yeah, talk about one person. Probably a one person brave enough to talk. You know, much somebody might talk for the same thing and afraid to talk. Yeah, talk about one person. Because when somebody brave enough to talk, that no means you're just one person in a constituency.
Let me tell you,
have some people braver than some. Because when we go, they go chat.
People that out there. Now what for people that miss a Bakar?
Of course, I will heap of people turn up Bakar. But I just want somebody to chat. Because she brave.
And the rest
like
of them are them fierce. The rest because she in a business.
Exactly.
But one like said there is no issues. Isn't there an issue?
The Dan woman that talks, so everybody else can't talk, so the Dan woman talk.
Yeah.
Oh, the Dan woman.
Them.
Mark Golden, see how Angela build up in a constituency with whole per house.
A zinc fence down a Mark Golden constituency and he take how much money gang send gang find. You don't take the money spend in your constituency and build up around there. Zinc fence.
That is how to show you, Candy, that is how to show you he has no form of respect nor nothing for this country he's trying to lead. And the idiots that are running behind him do not see that.
Shut your shit,
You
Mama. It's
understand?
not the government. Everybody get government. Every MP get constituency fund. So now come tell me shit of mine.
Look here, you find 20 million US dollar to go and bill put in whether low income, high income out of Bahamas, and you couldn't spend the $20 million.
The museum politics.
You couldn't spend the $20 million in a year constituency to bill up and give some people some house. You couldn't do that. You couldn't spend the 20 million US in Jamaica to even invest in your constituency where you can't even win a seat.
Flowers
Oh
here,
my
after
goodness.
come. No, you hear them change the goalpost. After I come, him say a human, a JLP. When we put the answer, it could never be a JLP person, because can't stand up down there, sir. So you hear when come back and say a Android government. That's all the reason.
Like I know Mark Golden constituency. Listen to me, man.
You notice I know Andrew should come out, come ball out, say, Mr. Prime Minister. You know, and you know the sad thing, they know everybody know who I do what, because if somebody go in front of you stand up with 10-year-old and somebody come and open fire upon you, you know must see how do we
exactly.
Nobody can just walk in a jungle, so
I don't even jungle
jungle tap a can to them.
Yes, Ken, 34 million US dollar you spend at Bahamas and Jamaica the right here so. And here say you say you're born and grow and you want to be prime minister and you not spend a penny. My grandmother that said not
you
one
not even like pay tax in the country.
You not spend not 100 cent here.
I have no house and asset here. What no expect as can to current crossing can put in paper them in a back pocket and gone.
And at him, people are run behind. They say one Mark G. Him wanna vote for. Him wanna want to lead this country. That's when him go in a way with NIR, him take up him papers. Then when he take out all the money, he write one big check and push in a back pocket and turn where that people, that Jamaicans want. Not even 2 8 by 10 bodos him not go build on a jungle. Ask food for the poor to come build them.
Yeah,
Food for the
20
poor
million was a loan from
house.
Proven. Why never take the 20 million loan and fit
It's $34 million in total him give them.
constituency? Whether
Because him
loan
use
or
busing
not,
9
in
million. Him
constituency
use 9
need.
million help renovate them parliament over there. And him use the next 5 million do something else. 34 million in total him use a Barbados. Whether it's a loan, grant or anything or drop out of the sky, him could have used it here. Even half it, him could have used the constituency. No stop chat foolishness. Him no rate the Jamaican people, none at all. Him no rate the people them are willing to die for him.
I'm going to go down there and give them 10 grand. And then go vote.
Tell her in a town and give them for back to school, $1,000.
Him not even a walk, go down there go support the stall when they have on the roadside or then corner shop. Him not going there. But at them not vote for. People of Jamaica, ever see Mark Golden stop anywhere in Jamaica or any tour, a drink of water? You never see me buy water from a vendor?
Give me an idea, because I'm going to hear
But him no want to vote for. Just like them plan this the fake school. Because we were on the platform and we always said we never see no children and old people love the Prime Minister. Them plan one fake run out pan him out one school in a country. All of the children them run out him go there. And it just looks so fake.
Hold on, flowers, stick up it.
Yeah.
Me see it and it just, me a dead with laugh when me see it. It look fake. And guess what? Some of the teacher them took, you see them dress up in a orange, and them push it like a picnic them for go do it in a Me see
They
that
tell
I say,
them say
whoa.
them come in.
Me nah
and as
watch little pin none of what.
no, me I said because of how the PM ever go someplace and the children them or the old people that would welcome him warmly, naturally. But this now because people are saying, oh, you never see my greet the young children and the old people and so they don't love him. It look like they go on stage now at this school. So like him going there. So they must go talk to the principal and the teacher now. So as them reach, as you see him coming towards the school, the children them out, and them just run out to him. Ray! You can't just see and feel the fakeness or them set it. It not look, not real, not form of genuinity, not in it. That's what we're talking about. Not that the children them, you know, but you just feel the fakeness. Like, you know, say, oh, we're coming to the parish today, you know, and so we're coming to your school. So we'd like the children them to come out and greet
I
the
agree with
Minister
you.
of Opposition. And I saw them come out.
Yeah.
So them well plan it and organize it.
Yeah.
You understand? So the children
Yeah.
come now, you see them come now as them walk up, you see the children them running like some small ants. Yeah! And
Yeah.
run go hug him
No,
up
man,
in a
you're
ball.
right. I see him where you look. Yes, I was saying the same thing as well. When I saw it, I said, no, man,
Me
this
say-
look
Politics
like
me
a
on the
prank.
phone and me could have feel the falseness. Me could have feel the falseness wherever it was. Not genuine, not in it.
Hey, at
Me
my
feel look at
time,
Uno.
I think, yeah, I don't remember if that place named Bag Hole, one of them, it's up away, the MP civil. I see it, I did a lot. Yeah, well, I'm not gonna call them dirty, but the teacher them, cause when them have video, it hear them, when they dress up in an orange. So it looked like it was a planting for real
One
flowers.
me give you one joke. Not joke. Me tell you something. One day, I don't know, most of the oh yeah, me have a archers NTA thing when me da go on some youth service thing, and it a keep a ugly park. Me no finish part the where call it the Ruby's gas station there. And one like building right there so on ugly park road. And this is the building the day me I do. And I think it was Peter Phillips at the time. He came down there. I mean, I know about the man in there, no. We put on one nice green frack, you know. I want me thick stacking and so. In a place of AC. I never know say I come, but me not care. So when we go down to the place now, I'm there and I'm green frack, the man come in and he might greet and whatever. You know, so the man not call to me.
Really?
The man not in call to everybody else. The man not call to me.
Because you take it as a disrespect, and I say, you know.
Oh, my foot. I know, so the man not come nowhere. I want me wearing my green frack up to do with that. You don't know.
No,
So me
Jamaica
can't wear my color again.
Oh, don't believe we move away from some of the tribe, but don't believe, say, don't be fool that we PNP bloggers them allow me to know, say, we still in a trouble. Me not go tell the lie. Me not go pan no. Alright, we talk to Chuck in for everybody. And we talk about policy and them, me not curse people, but them we curse. But you know, violent. But we not go cross the PNP, them a look over a picture where they was passing a live and a in for picture me, them want in for picture. We are gonna find me here on a live, some big old man up on the live. One hunt down Goody. Them a say if they do where Goody live, them a find him. And them even say, oh, one I wanna not go in a 2 hour, big old hour, that say one I wanna not go. And I saw them a threatening young lady. All young lady do a come on live and talk about what our government to do. And talk about no propaganda or anything. Talk about facts. Talk about what young people can get for better themselves. Talk about the free denture we go and integrate. I pay positive to come on live and talk.
I saw them dark.
At them troubler me dey on live when even Howard thought to disrespect her. And all of a sudden she stand up, you're right. And you hear them I bring file out, they want to find him, and them a stut. Me mean live, then depending on people live, where them fear talk about policy, where them fear promote them government.
Yes, them not on a policy.
Live.
Politics.
Yes.
They're not on politics. I mean, you know them I say, them not tell them policy because them don't want
Let me get out if we tell people who they are. Me mean the big man them sit down on live and say, oh, they want to go page goodie. Them just want to know where she live. That's
But
the
enough time
politics
to
of
give
them
out
there.
her address. Thank you for the gift. I was away. Thank you, Trudlin. Enough time she give out her address. Me then go
But
on
me
them
not
just
talk
chat
about that
and
in
them
a
can't do her
Philippines.
anything.
What I'm saying, I just attack the dirty politics because them a play a winner for fool itself. Believe say they are nice. When we look, as me say me dey on one live, I info them say they want. Them want info picture. Them want page info. Those are the dirty things. That's why me block them because me not in that. Me talk about the government, me decide because what Prime Minister do, me decide to follow him and to vote for the Labour Party. Me no know me Andrew never talk. Me no have no MP. The only MP number me did have one PNP MP. And but when you go on in live, got peer bad, you have to wonder peer badness them a push. And I take them lightly.
And I take them lightly because they dunce. And then when they don't say no sense to the foolishness.
Exactly.
They don't say them the foolishness. Cause
big up Steve.
They do not have they don't have nothing fit. They can't tell us what them how them bring the country forward. All they have is
people
Andrew
them
and
say them
IC.
not.
Andrew and the IC, I see this, I see that. I see this, I see that. So Andrew name of the policy where them are going to bring forward to the Jamaican people.
If you realize all them campaign first was Genuineness house. They used Genuineness house first. Then afterwards they were on the Elite 6. Then IC come out and say there is no Elite 6. Whatever. Then afterwards no. Then they not have no other else plan. Them have to go now upon the Prime Minister. But what they are trying to do is that they're trying to get out of the Prime Minister because they know that's the only way they can win. If Andrew
right, so that's why they Mark Gold is working with the inside of them with the IC because there are certain people inside there giving him information. So they hurry up and do this thing now and bring it to Parliament was for them to get a bait for their conference.
Yes, not
you
only
understand?
that. As well,
so it's a witch hunt. It's all about a witch hunt for destroy Andrew.
Yeah, Claudette, as well, Candice, I was saying it before, me let in person, I back say, one of the things with them sit down, this is me now, attack, them sit down and them say, look, we can't win the election with Andrew Holness today, okay. So guess what, we have to get away. We take him down before a general election.
That's true.
No for on the panel live with a whole of that me I know about it. The Electoral, me know when PNP in a power. All me used to hear JLP, them Colonel Charles, Hardly Shaw, them used to come and talk on news is when them have their rally. All them used to talk about the bad road, the poor health scare and them something. Them never used to attack partisan. I just say what one country them used to talk about. Look at it. When last year here, them talk about bad road, them talk about them not talk about them mess up my panic. So that for sure that they are not for us.
For sure, the only person the hungry belly Ian Hills where we reject our Western Hanover. So in Ghana, Westmoreland now go and create chaos. Where him not do nothing for Hanover Western. Nothing.
You see a video with Moreland Wilson that I like the bad road them for Hanover. More than you say Westmoreland people don't want you.
That's right. So we reject him because
The
a
only
Western
problem me have
I did me from MP, you know. We
the
reject
only
him.
thing me have, the only problem me have in talk too nice. When you address that man, you know.
Marlon Wilson is not the worrisome. Marlon Wilson
is not a warmonger.
He's just soft-spoken person. Him just coming like an Andrew. Because if Andrew was some kind of people, in a retaliate long time, you know, but he's not that type. And I saw Marlon. Marlon is humble. He's not that type like Dottie and Hills.
You see, at first, the first time I go to grill, I say, I'm going to grill for the first time. You see, I go back and grill the second time. I couldn't find my way around the grill since the money come in there.
Okay. And we can have it for over 30 years. We can have it for the over 30 years and you know do nothing for Westmoreland.
Hold on, Cartel go a Mobile and look how him not say, but look how Cartel want to say, no man, a so Mobile nice.
He can't come out with the politics. He can't come out. He must take him out and hold it back. He never said nothing. He not literally say it, but you see the expression, like in the clipping, like he want to see the place nice, but as a PMP, he can't spit it out. So, you know, when you take your hand and cover up your mouth, catch up something in there.
Oh, that's him. Because sometimes, you know, a person don't have to say something, you know, you can just watch his body language.
Hold on, the flowers, open the mic. That him do? Flowers, that him do?
I'm just saying the expression. Sometimes you're gonna say something and you just swallow it then. Like it depends on the tip of your mouth. As an you know. So him want to say, but as a PMP, him not gonna come out with it. But based on the expression on him face, he must say like myself the place nice.
Oh, I didn't see the video.
Yeah, man, you can't say. I'm impressed with Mobile, if you see. And, brother, Mobile look good. Tell me
one term, they were all of them MP.
Tell me one town in Jamaica, I made a town. When last one I got Mandeville, even Maypin, classic, and Maypin.
No, what about St. Anne's?
No, but you mean St. Anne's, but we are put it to even.
Nice.
We are put it to even Maypin. But I don't know if anybody know Maypin good. It torn Ghana them be now, you know. I want if you know some Maypin, I want it torn extend to Demby.
Yeah.
Anybody come from Maypin can tell you, say the torn extend to Demby.
Listen, right now the best, the most improved parish when me see and a 1 year them get it. From the years and where the PMP them the have it is Westmoreland. Some part of Westmoreland is so improved. Westmoreland was so down, the road them did so bad. I say one day I'm go Westmoreland. They come most my last at Westmoreland, me I tell you.
Yeah. Because when I think to Candy, what we do, we overshadow and a lot of labor do it. I mean I know why we continue to do it. We dep on road a name road. Oh, I mean I think road I go win. But that I know something more. We if you say look on the work. Look how road a transform, even Mandeville town. Look how much road are. Those are the things we need to look on.
Listen, me say to myself, say.
Guys, tap the screen, share the live.
Me say to myself, say, I only 3 seats alone. Me not sure JLP win. I go win back. We say that I'm not gonna call it over live, but I just know. I mean, know say other people on the live know. Just 3 alone, me sure say. Me not say me sure no, but it might go different way because some people just me not know if it's like. But you see road I seat, me not doubt road I seat. Cause the people them put her there and people them gonna make she stay there. And people them see the work what she have put in down Manchester.
You never hear the boy go up on the platform was a thank they link up Kendall fi make them win the coins last
year. Beg you one box, but man.
Yeah, you can't take my box, you know. You can't take my box.
Alright. But hold on, Carla, you did there?
Of course. come is here. I have to go politics in my house.
Alright.
Wait, name me come up already.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Sometimes we not
good
look
day.
on the work we share do.
Good day, everybody.
Good
You know,
day.
so
Hey,
politics, me sit down
welcome.
and me a think.
We're not
and me a
frightened.
think.
We're not frightened so easy.
Hold on,
And when
Hold
them
on,
rolling with
Candy,
the
hold
hold
on.
on, Candy.
Hold
Hold
on.
on, Candy.
And me sit down
Go
and me a
ahead.
think politics and me a say. While we're there, I say we are gonna lose seat. You know, so we are gonna pick up some seat to politics.
Me believe me, I look for St.
Politics, we
Mary.
are gonna pick up
Me I
some
look.
seat too. Me I look for St. Mary, me I look for
Oh,
Peter
that,
Phillips
me I,
seat.
hold on, say, hold on, part. May I get it? Me? Alright, one of the things we do, Labour, we not keep informed. We not keep up to date. We love come out and bash and love follow the PNP them. But you don't know, so JLP get a top candidate to figure St. Mary. You don't know.
But politics, remember me that call it this morning, me not like the bashing pan from your side now. You understand?
Go again.
No, me I said this morning, you never see me I call the phone, me not want a bashing pan here.
Oh, no, man, but we want them to come because too much
Yeah, but we
people.
have to talk privately.
No, I
Alright,
want them
continue.
to hear. I want them to hear that. You know, Lashika, this morning.
I no must stop losing no faith.
Hold on there, hold
I
on there.
stop losing no faith.
Hold on, Ivan, hold on. Lashika, this morning, yes, when we start the live, you never see.
You may never see live
Me
this
not
morning.
go, me don't know what getting at me. But me not go one-on-one, so I talk. And the people them really stay on. When me look Pat Moore come, me shout him out, me show him respect and him type bless up. When me look, me see something me pass through Buchanan, pass through. When me look, me see the young lady from down where place Hanover pass through.
Julian?
No man, the one where I run a Hanover.
Tamika
When me look, me
Davis.
see one from St. Catherine pass. A few of them well pass, so me feel a way, so if them
No,
can pass.
politics. Remember they're watching us. They want to hear what we're discussing. Don't feel like so them want to be among us.
No, me understand. No, man, me understand that. But me I say, me want to see them too. A time now, cause me no want just CMP pass. But as me I said last week, one of the things we not promote is that St. Mary get a good candidate.
Yep.
A
And the
candidate.
girl and Bujuban and data too. Remember, say she
Yeah,
did give
and
Peter Phillips
person
a
that
run for money, you know.
sorry about that last week again. Person, that's why I have to beat the JLP them again. Then come by here and talk, say the young lady nah go back, and how our gentleman get his seat, and them don't know why if she done with politics. Me reach out to her, and she said she fully committed. So on the top spread.
When I see woman down at St. Anne's Monday night, the woman fully committed. No go and allow the
You know, say
woman.
one labor me hear that say that. Them need to stop it.
And chat too much.
That the girl they give Peter Phillips a run for her money. So I don't see how comes she would have loses. She would then would have take her out. The next thing is the other day when I remember she keep on
Politics and if you interview her one of them even
she keep
Go on, Lashika.
she keep on ratty dance down there. Me I say, yo, be a young people there behind her. She, you better look out for her. Remember me telling her that because she's coming.
Lashika,
Yep.
Desmond Mackenzie and Godfather. Let me tell you something. Don't worry yourself.
I lie.
When me
Yes.
love with her Lashika,
Yes,
she not left.
Godfather.
Lashika, when me
What
love
is
with
it?
her, she not left the community. She not left
Yeah,
the
Desmond Mackenzie's our Godfather.
You mean
Not
Uju daughter?
Yes. Not actually
Okay. Me love that. Sorry, me love that she didn't leave the people them though.
Yes.
She never collect them for who. But if the people
Did it. So it is going to be a ratted election because people think so we are gonna lose seat or so we are gonna pick up seat.
Well, last week, I'm glad you come and say that, but tell the people them though, why, as a Labour, we not spread them thing that to say.
Me know who you talk about who says so you dey for your life.
Hold on the call. Why, remember saying, Upper Morris guy, that everybody know that's a neglect, that's one of the worst constituency. And why we not look on Damien Crawford too? Remember him I go for our battleground, see, even though them always manage to come out on top, is a battleground seat. Why we not talk about them? They say, remember say Amos not left the people them need you know?
And I then come from Born and Grow.
Yes, Sanjay. Amos not left them out now.
Let me tell you something. Damien always think he's better than the politics. And he say, he not go a dead yard, he not give it this, he not give it that. You understand what I say? With that being said, with him saying that, it's going to put him in problem because you have to go support your people and your constituents when them people them dead. You have to give them this and, you know, give them like a top up. Our politics.
And a rural,
rural. Give them some goat.
A rural.
Some things on us we still have to do, and that is why Damien, even if Damien go there now and get attraction, I don't think he's going to win. Because he must been there work the seat, him and work it, him and work it.
But me here said the next guy I got go independent and run a true.
Yes. I'm saying back down.
You Graham.
Yeah man, I'm saying back down. Him say he might consider if which me not want him. Well, that and me. Me not talk for the party. But if he might decide he then go turn over to JLP or he might go independent. But he has been saying
me want him go independent and split PNP vote in a two.
That may I say, yeah, me too.
Me want him go independent, split PNP vote in a two, and he must get in much thousands of votes. That is a good thing. Do it. Me support it. Me da shaking hand.
Yeah, me support it.
Yeah, but more don't want him over, honestly. Even though my friend and I comment to the beg for would have said different. My friend feels my friend and I comment know the good as somebody will walk the ground and him and said don't take him lightly. Even though he's a big man in connect to young people. And so Damien Crawford have to watch out. Don't take him lightly.
Who Amos?
No, the PNP MP, what did they know?
I would love to see Amos.
You know me get the vibes from him? You know me get the vibes from him?
Yeah, somebody who maybe personal wants to not know, but maybe that talk and him I said, don't take him lightly. Man, the young people are good.
I don't know about Uno, but I would love to see Amos in the parliament.
Yeah man, Amos deserve. You know again who really work hard?
Damien.
No, Francis.
Who is Francis?
We always come from with life, man.
Tolo, Francis Tolo.
Dorland.
Yes.
Dorland.
You saying work?
Oh.
Yeah, Sunday, Dorland.
Oh, Dorland.
If them put him back at Western and drink can't win.
I would want to see Dorland.
Him always be the few people.
You see that seat is extreme. I don't know.
No man, when I get me wrong in the people, I not say it's not win. I just say he's
the only somebody will come close to Anthony Hilton at a Webb, Trevor Webb, and him not go back.
But what we are looking at though, as well Jay said, me I look for St. Me I look for St. Mary. Why me I look for St. Mary? Because me have a whole heap of, well not a whole heap, but because some of them gone far, but me have family members St. Mary. and one division was strong for PNP. The guy where come in, connect with the community there strong. I believe that the PNP will not retain that seat. I believe that that seat will go to the Jamaica Labour Party on election night. May I get you?
So them change the candidate from the guy that was running the last time. I think his last name is
Yeah,
Richard.
man, it's a new guy come.
Okay.
The new guy come. So when we look at it, and I have strong hope for Mary. So we are going.
He wants to she to in a parliament.
Yeah, man, as a
Hey,
young
love see when the young people them they in a parliament, you know.
You know, who forget a seat in the parliament? The girl in the Senate, Golden.
Well, not everybody want to be honest, you know, Candy. Politics is not an easy thing, and everybody want go in as
We're in a
representative.
representational politics.
That's true still, but I feel like say should I do good this or do.
Camila, she afraid I bad in her. It was
Yeah,
just
Camila. What's your name? Camila?
Camina.
Camina. She no want going on a
Camina Johnson.
politics at
You know,
all.
I got that out politics. That everybody. No man, Venice a female girl. She more forget one good seat.
But it's a difficult doing because check your ratio do. Check your ratio.
Senate.
You better like in a Senate, she have to go because look on it now. Who we are gonna take out?
No, me want her on the campaign enough. Me want to see her on the campaign.
Yeah, she can campaign enough, but me I say where would they put her? Cause look on it now. Basically,
no man, guys. Remember saying a whole heap of things that are going on.
No, but when me I say politics, look on it now. Remember saying
Don't try.
We have 49 seats. We have 49
No, man.
seats. Right? Check it now.
Everybody I go back Candy. Not everybody I go back Candy.
Me know, I have
No, what I'm
49.
saying, Candy.
Me know. Saying everybody I go back. But I have
Where's the
49.
put her in a mark seat?
Politics.
Hey.
Me not have no doubt, and let me tell you something. Me always say we are winner. And somebody see them when they say look difficult, we can't take it. Me not have no doubt about that. That are the confident what me have. And me talk that every day.
Boy, if all them are talk about Westmoreland, you know what is surprised me in the election?
Look here, we can take any seat we want.
I said, I saw me, Marcy, are you that?
Any
I didn't
seat.
talk them I love here.
Look here, me say, me never forget. Down in the St. James, look for Oma Davis. And they used to say Oma
You know where them could have put
take it from my Monday. And look how Oma take it with ease. Look here, me not put no seat. I know
But
standing
guys,
where we say we can't take it. We can't take
You
any
know
seat.
which part them could have put Venetia should have do good. Guess. Me don't know if you agree with me, just I say. You know which part them could have put her? Me see if nobody can I think like commenting. Which
What you
part
mean?
you see anybody?
You can put her on Northwest Clarendon, would have if you heard it.
No,
They
I'm not
got-
client and me I look on it fear. Anybody else?
I think she can work anywhere they put her. She's that.
Would I say over would I say over Julian Robinson?
No, I don't want her over there.
Because she a powerhouse, you know.
Yeah,
Yes,
but
I love
you
him. I
know,
love that woman there.
nobody
Venetia.
said, you know. No man, Senti good. We know not yet. Senti good. We don't want to.
Yeah, all green, you know.
Yeah, we know. But last week, one of the things with enough people look on
When you
those.
say put her with Mark, that nice, you put her with Mark Golden.
Hold on, Lashika, you still there?
Yeah, man, me there.
One of the things where a lot of winner look on. You see, when you Omar Davis, him go up against a strong candidate the last election, you know.
Who you go up against?
The farmer, our principal, farmer Issa something. Principal. He was a.
Ain't gonna win Oma, man. Oma come from, remember say Oma come from the same.
No, we're no more Garrison than Michael, man. It's the Michael Manley seat out there, so them win.
Hold on, me Lashika, hold on the candidate. And the Lashika, you see the vote him get, I think the highest vote the constituents they ever get, you know.
Yeah, cause I didn't come from. Remember, say I didn't come from it and he has been there so long, you know. Long time. Oma work the seat there, you know. Oma come from there, so everybody know Oma. That's why you might go give my girl a run for your money.
Yeah, and she even have to retain all I vote them, you know. Cause him would have outdo even him own self. So all him have to do, put in the work, and him should win back.
Yeah, I expect him to win back still. That may I expect.
Yeah, so me not think.
They can put Venetia up against Mark for you, you know.
Me not think.
Hey!
We have no problem at St. James. Alright, so let me show you a parish where me think we are going to sweep again. May I look on St. It I go rough with. Even though a gentleman I do a lot of work in Santa Cruz.
No say rough, we are going to sweep it.
Yeah, may I look for a clean sweep. That's so may I look for a clean sweep at Portland. May I look for a clean sweep at Hanover. May I look for a clean sweep at St. No. 4-1 at St. 3-1 at St.
What is it? Listen, it's the Hanover thing. The people them are lose confidence in a Dave Brown. So if them can't.
No, in my makeup, that was happening before the local, but in my makeup, don't say.
Okay.
In my makeup ground, because one of the things, Dave Brown, you know how his system set up. You know, just fix road like that. It have to go through the process. And so, I don't know if it was a politics thing, but as the election done so, anybody from Hanover can back me up. As the local government election done, it come through for some road start. Even a guy where did I go run, where did I buy fee seat, where did want to take over, all him come out and do video and say, see it? When I can't stop Dave Brown again.
Is his second term?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I can't stop him again, cause see some road where one did that talk about start to fix. So and one of the things too, you know, you have to understand, say, and everybody vocal like that. He's a man who always increasing vote. You see anybody who always you know what happened? I think in third term this enough, if me not lie.
Yeah, this is going to be in third term if him win.
Yeah, this is going to be in third term. So one of the things we want to have to look on, you see, anytime a vote a decrease, look on it good. But you see, anytime it a increase, hard to get out that candidate. Look, everyone at PNP reject. Before they lose their seat, them vote did a go down. Dayton Campbell, him vote did a go down. Wicker McNeil, him vote them with a go down. The whole of them. You have to understand how election. A man who always an increase in vote, very dangerous, hard to lose. Look on Xavier Main. Every time Xavier Main increase in vote, where the Xavier Main set record from that seat coming to enough his vote a candidate ever pull out. Remember saying at one point, they must say, oh, JLP did strong. But yet still they never managed to pull out the amount of vote with Xavier pull out. I don't know, say, if him in a trouble, mother come out and say it. All that they have to do now, build up with base, and we don't have no problem.
I don't see what the PNP has to campaign on. Again, they've exhausted their list.
Yeah,
Their
and
propaganda.
And we are get clean sweep at Chilani. Coming on your mama dia go back.
yeah, man, Chilani, I believe Chilani is safe. Both of the
A Westmoreland reject them I put up against over. Westmoreland reject.
and guy, one I think we need to put out that we need to start call them reject, cause they are reject. We need to
Yeah,
start.
because people like Ross Soul who is listening, the PNP don't have to bring any economic or social policies to him. All them have to tell him as some propaganda and him believe it, you know, and then him just vote blindly, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man, reject.
And when you have a Saint and reject Ghana Westmoreland, you have a Hanover reject Ghana Westmoreland. Westmoreland reject Ghana Chilani. Central Manchester reject Ghana South Manchester.
And Crawford a reject, you don't know, but I let him
Yeah,
out.
me not left him out. They me and Crawford a reject. Reject well a 2-time. 2-time rejection. And when next one name? Patricia Duncan Sutherland. 3-time loser.
Oh my, she passed the reject. No, we can't.
So she ever run again? She ever
run against Playball.
She passed it.
I reject that.
We can't
She
even
passed
put her in that
reject.
class.
She passed reject. Let me know which other else were there for reject. Come in to know else.
What the lady name we run against Cuthbert?
Oh, she wanted that one that we can't call reject again. She passed.
And who are run up there so?
You know her now. What's her name again?
Me don't remember her name.
She did all woman. She did all.
She run against Juliet Holness and lose.
Webley. Oh, Webley. Joan Webley.
This
Yeah.
now solid waste reject that.
And she run against Damian Crawford and now she gone up at Juliet constituency.
Pass reject. You can't.
No man, we need to make a book and write down the reject them and go in a constituency and look what then take some picture for them do for much years and just start talk about that. Since we have to discuss with the people them know so them no vote for the people them. So we have to, so and every time we have to come up here and discuss for the good thing or something, we have to enlighten the people them for the bad way PNP do, you know.
I wish people that have sense though to say, okay, what are you coming
Well,
with?
then
What
we can
can you
do
do
it.
for the constituency? What was your previous achievement in such and such constituency?
Somebody said Paul Buchanan.
Oh yeah, him a wanted.
Angela Broadberg, how we see she have. She have coach she can't lose.
No, Buchanan, the one that we are go up against Andrew, him not a reject. Him pass the reject.
Out of retirement, them go for him.
Yeah.
Him a refusal.
Me don't know where him a go with him wholesale before he go sit down.
I'm here say because when he called Patrick Roberts.
Him run against Juliet Cuthbert and lose, you know, and then Crystal run against Sarah and lose too.
Oh, Patrick Roberts?
No, Paul Buchanan.
Oh, him is a reject. Jesus.
And I forget Mr. Padmore.
But to be honest, me I feel sorry for Patmore, cause me don't know if Patmore nowhere in. You know, like
Which part him gone?
Him a run against Mama D.
Yeah, Patmore look confused. Patmore look worried. Patmore look like.
Then I want to see Patmore at South Chilani.
You know when they want place and you know, I don't know. Just making.
Them a do Patmore like where they do Colin Bell. Not true, they have nobody else to put down here. Them a send him. And they have Colin Bella Portland just as a placeholder till they find Buchanan.
You know, she said, Imani don't cancel and make me take queers. What's her name? No, Imani, what's your name? Price don't plan. That's what's your name. Imani makes sure she take care for herself. She never what them depend.
And I go win the session, no.
Oh, me no hear nothing about Venetia.
She a reject, you know.
Oh, Venetia.
Venetia. You know what she a reject too? Remember say?
At 2 times she losing up.
What about Dayton, Canberra, Eastern, Westmoreland?
Dayton, Canberra rejection. You know, you call him name.
As can to Karen Cross, say, under him heading, he can't get, he want Luton to run independence against him.
No.
He saying can't get the seat there. Karen said when him done.
You know say Buchanan vote. I go split up down Westmoreland do.
Right, because Luton don't plan to run independence pan Dayton Canberra. And if you run independence, it's a sure shot for Danny Buchanan.
Glad it me so them a buy him out, so no bank on that.
Oh, okay.
That take their money around same way backside.
But remember say people then did say they don't want him, you know, because he's a pedophile, no want him down there. But so they went to make the cleaner, you know, and so they don't want him.
Oh,
Raymond Price.
Oh, we forgot Raymond Price.
Thank you,
They swim around.
Ian Hill.
Oh, we missed that one day. Yeah, boy, Raymond Price, our big reject too. Him, remember, so Raymond Price would get the first when Raymond Price.
The Governor General.
Raymond Price was a vote, you know, and he just boiled down to nothing.
What Sanjay mean by what the Governor General call election? What I mean by that?
No, it was discussing something prior to that. You should follow whatever he was discussing.
Okay. So
we have the lines to one of the reject.
Politics have to go make a list and put it up on your screen.
I'll go and pen me there, look fine and paper.
Colin Virgo for Northwest, St. Elizabeth.
So we have a line to reject.
Yeah, me find one book, me find one piece of paper and a book, but a manual.
Master.
I see me can't find pen now. Me have much pen book and a paper. Me have to go
I was speaking to somebody from calling the parish, and they were adamant in telling me that MP is going to lose their seat.
Michael Phillips, you have to ask Christ.
And they said there's them said there is a JLP supporter.
I got to no lie. You see, Michael Phillips, they love him. Not another.
I know,
Alright, so we have 2 lists, rejection and refusal.
Hold on, then make sure finish so we shall say me and listen.
Yes, Philip easy though. The person is a JLP supporter and they said they're not voting and whatever because they're not pleased with what the MP is doing and whatever. I was on the phone for a long while, I was 2 hours and I tried to talk to them and whatever. Anyways, after me, I try to show him certain things and whatever, and he must say, them like what Andrew only said, do and whatever, but then the MP. And I may say, look here, remember, it's the MP that make we have the government. So if you're not voting the MP, you're not going to form the government. So regardless of, it might not do what you expect. If you want Andrew to still be there, you have to vote for the MP. And whatever. Anyway, I'm saying I go conference and I say, look here, see if you're not if you're not vote, nobody come a conference. Because we know nobody come make up conference number. And then when election day come, you know vote. So, me been on the phone for a while and then him say, well, he would think about it and if him a vote and
technically continue.
Whatever and change his mind and all of that and something. Me say the next thing is on one complaint say the MP then I do not go to them go tell them say
Exactly,
uno want
Nicole.
them to work. Uno nah go me say uno need to go and make them know say look here. We need this, we need that, whatever. Uno just then one corner and attack say, oh, the MP nah do nothing, MP nah do nothing. Then you think say if the MP nah say uno a complain, think the MP can't do nothing. Uno put them there, uno need to go call them out, make them know say uno need them to do things.
Same
You can't just sit down and talk, say, the MP nah do nothing, he nah do nothing. Call him out and make him do it. You sit down and say, he might go lose, kind nah do nothing. And then you say you support the party. How that work?
As some said to Nekali, because you have to communicate to these people.
I agree. Hold on, the candy have been pen. Now we are going to print it. Now we are going to give black of them.
Politics, hold on there before you go to the reject list. Remember, say we have Sanjay will just come up here and he probably want to say something.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
No,
Hello,
man, Philippians, I'm good, man, I'm good. Philippians, I am okay.
Okay,
I am
all
just
right.
listening.
Candy can go to our listener.
So we had the rejection and refusal.
Guys,
I
come out
just
with the
rejection.
reject. Come out with the reject. Put them in our back. So we have one. We have.
Denton Campbell the first one.
Yeah.
him start the list.
Him start the list.
Oh, when did I run for? Which part of sentence did I remember?
Put a PNP Gensec reject.
Reject.
Where you say PNP what?
Gensec reject.
Yeah,
Northwest.
Which party used to run a sentence?
Northwest.
Northwest.
Guys, let me address Bubbles, baby. Him say from elect a MP, them fi work, them must can see where need to fix. So you have one big 11 constituency, and sometimes you know the MP may not know say, okay, something wrong with your water connection or whatever. You think them have psychic power to know say something wrong with your water connection if you not report it to them, or if you have light problem, or if you have some kind of problem.
But Philippians, some people have one like MP and a human
communication problem, right? We have to
Philippians.
communicate our needs. If we don't communicate our
Philippians,
needs, then they won't be met.
Left that argument.
Some of these people want too much and then can't help you. When me went there Jamaica, if one light blow up on my street in a where me live, me call. Me then make sure me call. Even now, me there Jamaica, other day the light blow and then call me. Say if me have the man number still. Me call and tell him say the light blow and then fix it back. Make them go away.
And as it relates to communication, all right, you have to communicate with your children, your spouse, you know, to have a better relationship. So you communicate with your MP as well to have a better relationship with that person. Yeah?
Yeah, but you know what?
You always hear them say communication is key.
Right.
So the MP might drive past some of the road and they might know say, yeah, that road have patrol. But suppose I want road, one back road, and you know you probably go on the road if you go do your farming. And the MP no go that road there because it's a farm road. You can call the MP and tell them, say, yeah, me have the farm road here and whatever, I want if you fix.
May I understand? Is that touchy?
Communication is key.
Is that touchy topic as person have bad experience, so we don't want to push it.
Me know. You might have me agree say sometimes because some of the people them in the MP office them now no manners.
That's true.
Yeah. Some of them don't have no manners.
Have have relationship with the MP if you can.
Yes.
And
so have a relationship with them.
yeah. And
but you see when the people in the MP office disrespect you, don't blame the MP because some of the people in the training.
If the argument we are straight from the point right now that they want to come over here come do they know we talk about the rejection.
I mean, that is an important. These are issues that are important to discuss.
Yeah, Philippian, but guess what?
Philippian, let me tell you something. Philippian, me go tell you something.
Hold on the can. People are gonna come in there and feel because I believe Everton at JLP, and I'm gonna say JC since the non-performer. you go have other person I go come this time, and then we are gonna shift away from the point. So let us not go there. Cause for me know about politics, me I hear say JC Hutchinson is a non-performer, but he always manage to win his seat and win comfortable. I'm going in constituency and I see good road and so I'm not gonna keep up with that. So make we move from the argument.
Yeah, and even when they were
just joining the live. Remember, we have an offer $700 for any comrade that can come up in the box and tell me what Andrew thief from the taxpayer and SSL.
Yeah. But me
That
not
is what
go there because me have one meeting. But we want to go for a reject, we are going to type up it, and we are going to run with it and say, Jamaica, why would you want to put in but these people? Because some people not look at them, and remember, so them are reject.
and we break it down step by step.
We not do it, yeah, true. Me like the idea then. Hurry up and do it.
Alright, so with the dating Campbell, so now we want to go down Eastern Westmoreland.
And guys, remember we're going to post it as many times as we can.
Yeah, man, we're going to run with the reject.
Yeah, we're going to break it down and discuss it too. Step by step, why them not fit vote them person they in the back. Alright.
Run from him own hometown.
Yeah, and then reject
him. And he gonna Eastern Westmoreland now. And the people them come out with placards and then do not want him if you go back in constituency. But I just say some of them licky. And I was talking to I do John Media talked and he said them people up there so they licky.
As if you go look at job, you're right, you know, Sanjay, you know we have missed that. That's why I love about JLP reason. When you go look at job, them know a recommendation for your past job.
Yeah, and them want your resume.
Exactly.
So
a job
what are they offering? So now go write these things. What
Yeah,
are they
a job,
offering?
them
What
a
is their
look.
previous experience? What did they accomplish in their previous previous
Alright, so here what we're going to do first.
job,
Yeah,
whatever.
we're going to write out them name, then we come up with the
Guys,
question
me
then.
know we not hold on the Candy.
Write out the list.
Candy. Hold on, me
Yeah.
know we not fit talk it online, but we are going to have a discussion. We are pick on Sunday evening or one day and the whole of we as bloggers. I got come. See him like how Mark Golden sit down and have a press conference about Genuineness. We are going to have a press conference about the reject them.
Yeah, we make up one flyer and put it on each and every each of we TikTok and we share it, repost it, everybody can come.
But we have
And we want
circulate that this
people
year.
from-
Come and start the list because we are circulating
Yeah.
tonight. Today.
And we want people from every one of them constituency.
Yeah.
Today. Make a list.
Alright, so first rejection we have Dayton Campbell. And now we want to go down wait. We just write them out.
Ian Hills.
Wait,
Hold
we
on.
soon reach at Ian here. We want to run Western.
He left from we reject him from Western Hanover and gonna Western Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, Eastern, he want to go.
No man, Ian
No,
Hills.
Dayton Campbell we are done after.
No,
Ian is now. Him did there.
Western Hanover we
Western
reject him.
Hanover.
And he gonna Western Westmoreland.
Love the West, let me.
That's a safe seat I look for.
Western Hanover. He is the thieving man.
So he was reject from Western Hanover and he gonna Western Westmoreland now. But nobody like him.
Alright. That's a 2 rejection.
Which two you have?
Dayton and yes.
I have
we
Peter
come
Bunting
back
from
in
from Manchester Central.
Hold on, we're going to stay down there side. We are go for, remember, so we have vast, you know, we're not running the left.
Yeah. Oh, forgot to miss
No,
over.
vast.
Now the same place he might run back.
He might run back same place as Central with George Wright.
But if
Reject.
reject
But PMP, I got here too, you know.
And then you have, remember, no come out
Wait,
of
they're right,
Westmoreland.
they're right. Wait.
No come out of Westmoreland yet, you know. You have the one where they go run against Tova.
Yeah.
That have Wickham McNeil. We reject, they reject him from Central, from Western.
Dwayne Vaz.
Dwayne Vaz are Central. Wickham McNeil are Western. Him did it for 30 years. They reject him because fix no road, give people them water where they have water crisis over 30 years. A poor man and they want
What you say? Western,
Wickham McNeil.
Westmoreland.
Him have that they see they for over 30 years.
Alright.
And then you have where Eastern now where my man there, Luther, when get rid Luther or him not run for no seat. So you're supposed to have
I wanna put them in a comment. We have
because him now, remember say we come Ghana not Northern Sudan, you know, where two over there.
Yeah, well and remember
Only take time with me, alright.
Yeah, remember Wave Lines did there something between West. Wave Lines did go against Dave Brown.
That are in our West Eastern Hanover.
Yeah, we are go over Hanover now. Wait. Alright, so after it's him I go up Chilani, you know. Which part two over there again?
Two over there, Niger and Chilani.
Why when we done with PMP, them all equal physics and now them all report page.
So me here say the guy did run against Dave Brown in our last election at the creek there.
Him there Clarendon now.
Alright, so now we are go over Hanover. So Hanover, you say Eastern Hanover?
No, yeah.
Eastern Hanover. Because Dave Brown there Eastern Hanover.
Wave Lines did run with them. No him there.
No, but that with the foolishness right now, no, Jesus Christ.
I thought of Clarendon in there now. I don't know West, you know. Somebody tell me.
Eastern Hanover. Wave Hines. You may know when I'm gonna go play cricket. Why am for? When we come back to which party am I gonna run?
But remember say me say the girl Jess where they go run against run against Mr. Monday, you know, the big man they can't walk. She went run somewhere up at Clarendon and they reject him and he now in that St. Elizabeth.
Mike Henry, she did run against Mike Henry.
I know she did run against
so we done with Hanover now.
Mr. Slowly.
Yeah.
We don't know who are run against Tamika, right? We just do it in order.
No, so now one new candidate we can
Tamika, my girl, a header. We know the two of them.
Bypass them.
Oh, a new candidate that.
Yeah,
yes, header.
Alright.
Header.
So we are going next. St. Elizabeth. What's that name? Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth. Yeah.
We have one reject coming now.
That's Jess, the girl Jess.
Yeah, that's our big reject.
So am I run against Mr. Slowly?
What's your name, Jess? Which constituency that?
She are going to run against that are the constituents where PNP we have for so many years in a St. Elizabeth.
Santa Cruz. What name again? What
side? I don't remember before East, West Side. What me know is Mr. Slowly.
They go Google the MP them. Well on.
Wow, no wicked, you know?
He named Zucchina Jess, yes. He named Zulika. We can't pronounce
it. That's we don't know.
So, you tell us right now, never go report page when they don't do me.
People, I can't start it.
Politics, oh yeah, back down, so.
Because politics and dash me under the box.
If you send it, come and put it on my Facebook and WhatsApp and everything.
Yes, your politics and dash me under the box.
Somebody come.
I'm one of my friends' name.
Well, I know one of my friends inbox me politics in my inbox. Ask me if me done with
church.
Here.
You have to find one song to put with you know.
Yeah.
One nice song.
Hey, ask me if me done with church.
When them done with me, you know. Jesus.
That's my PMP, you know. Ask me if me done with church now. Because you know, so me are 70 Adventist. Me see a politics time, you know.
Me see sitting now come up. Look at sitting now come up.
When you listen, you know, we must make up one song. We go so reject. Reject.
I wonder if my man can do it too.
Philippian, continue, don't stop, Philip. Make a hear, go on.
Make you get in touch with Vegas.
Vegas, I want them Vegas can do it.
Philippian freelance.
Make it up, make a write up the something candy and take it to Vegas and see when can do.
Alright, so here one, my Google now come up on my phone. So I Google the MP in order to get understand it. So I Google the MP. Or it's a northeast, west, north.
Who said Northwest St. Elizabeth? Northwest St. Elizabeth. Northwest St. Elizabeth need new personnel. I am full support. Oh, on the Northwest.
And then because the Google now come up on my phone, you see them stay down them.
We'll find out which constituency Mr. Slowly, you know.
I don't in a country not about.
Yeah, we are trying to get the see the Google now work. Watch out. Why oh boy. Them won't be on my phone. The internet.
When you said Northwest St. Elizabeth need a new personnel, I am full supporters of the.
Want to see a North East St. Elizabeth in there, in the use today?
Best, find out the right thing before we put on.
Yeah, that we want to find out.
We not deal with propaganda. We want to make sure we have everything in order.
You can't just leave out the Thanos, right? The rest of one name until then.
Yes, we want to make sure so we have the right.
Green, there, southwestern. Let me see.
And the one was slowly in, and the one was slowly in, and the one was slowly in.
Just have a run then slowly.
They are northeastern.
Tell them that I tell you the right thing on the land, man. I want to listen to the people then.
Northeastern.
Northeast St. Elizabeth.
And them have that they see there for so many years and the amount of rugu poor Mr. Slowly. People are talking if you take Mark Golden seat, but no one no JLP take Mark Golden seat.
We soon reach up at St. Catherine, man. We don't work with the floor. We work with the floor. We are going around the whole of them. I want to say the woman name, write the woman name again, because we want the right name, you know.
Zulika, he name spell one kind of
name, Daddy.
Zulika Jess. Let me see me can
come into the work with the floor, write the name again.
Let me see somebody went right in here. Let me see me can find it.
So she did lose this and she run back this again.
She went lose and run against must be Mike Henry then say. I know she move on too slowly.
Oh, with a Clarendon, she did them and we have to write her from Clarendon first.
Yes.
And then we write the
okay, her name spell like Zulika.
Lirle.
Zulika.
A pen, no put me no.
And his surname spelled Jess.
So wait, she should have run against
You went that Clarendon first. You went
Clarendon. Mark Henry. Which one Mark Henry did then? They are no. You both did they? Which one Mark Henry they are no?
Hold on, let me look.
Pull up the JIS something and we see the whole of them. I threw my JIS or see finally come up. Alright.
They were there name one spell character and that him. We know everybody knows that him name Jess. I'm my only somebody.
Clarendon Central.
I want woman and no man.
Clarendon Central. Wait, no, I forget another pen. The pen I'm feeling in. The pen I'm here.
They did get a whacking.
No, me always hear from me a group say, nobody can get Mike Henry seat unless I retire and dead.
Ocha, the pen of PNP, the pen top right.
When them hear the message now, boy, wouldn't I easy, no one need for good
But alright, me always hear people say thank God to JC Hutchins. Well, some people are saying I'm perfect, just like how Mrs. to hear some wicked people how Mr. Slowly now do nothing. Mr. Slowly now do nothing. And look what that man they can't walk.
But Claudette, you look past them considering. You ever hear nobody? That's why I tell you, say, me not say, I don't know if you're talking to people, now, get me wrong. But me always say, JLP people them quick to show up their MP, while PNP not do it.
They not do it when they drop down in a hole. You see a little bun road in a years because they stop people them for do it, you know. wicked alien. You know, you think I know that everyone them bad long time from him did it. Long time from him did it, cause I road me drive from me tell us if thief they run after you get catch. And then the front labor right take over. After a long time the road stays up.
Want to say a fresh candidate that run against Fly Green, right?
I think I want a new candidate. I think no, but I don't know much about.
So let me tell us, you see, most of the little demonstration where you see they growing up, PNP, they stir up it.
Enriquez, that will run against Enriquez.
Azan, I want to reject though. Azan.
And I even run against him though.
Yeah.
And I see him place him get rejection from.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So, Enriquez at Clarendon. Jesus Christ, when them done with Jesus pieces. Clarendon, Northwest. What you say?
Say Patmore having 12 days of giveaway for Christmas.
When name? When first name? Richard Azan?
Yeah.
Patmore, they try everything for win.
What Patmore? What you say Patmore?
And they have giveaway, 12 days of giveaway for Christmas.
But Patmore Kalang. Kilani people now want to see Patmore right now. I only who did it with him. Patmore piss bed.
Backside.
Hey, no kill me up for the people that work here.
Alright. So who is in a Clarendon?
You know, so we're not going to bad now. God no. Honestly, we're not
Which
going
one Patricia Duncan? So I'm gonna put Patricia Duncan.
Let me not hear the fish. No hear the fish attack on in live. Say how where am get? Say favor level lose.
Duncan I come from where Clarendon is doing it.
Yeah, in me I look for now. Clarendon, Southeast.
Somebody say then Patmore cannot lose. Go piece of bed. UG.
If Mama Dia go back, Patmore can't win. And Patmore cannot win necessarily anyway.
Go back. MC there.
Let me know see Mama Dia the pan posters we go talk another Chulani. Wanna see posters?
The one Patricia Duncan.
Whoa, my mother.
Sutherland. That's where I thought the Sutherland. I can't remember that.
Sutherland, how you mean you have to write the correct name? Sutherland.
That take up the space, man.
Classic, no classic.
Which part she a go now?
Hold on, me. She a go a Mona division where Venice.
Me look for Flavor. I believe she right there saying of Flavor.
So she a go run against Flavor.
Classic. Them a write out to reject them. So them a go have a discussion. But them a go discuss them and why Jamaica people that want to vote for them. Classic.
Classic, we are going to build one song to it too.
Reject.
That's why you can put it on your YouTube channel. And Facebook.
Let me tell you about
Instagram.
Reject. Anyways, who next? Who is a Clarendon?
Somebody said Patmore have money, that's why Mark not change him. Those?
Who used to run against Sibbles?
No, that's our new Wavelands. I got this one. Guys, my question upon this.
No, Wavelands, I got this a rejection, that man. Yeah, tell me for. If a Wavelands, I got this a rejection. So Wavelands, I get rejection.
He reject from Eastern Hanover.
Yeah, man.
But he must say when go a sentence one at the time and the people they reject him. So two reject him.
Him a 2-time rejection. After we done write out the list, we are gonna put what.
So they say some poll did say my leading at the poll. They say some poll did a lead and the people they vote and reject him.
Hold on, well we can put on that even when people reject him.
Right.
What we can do, we can put 2-time rejection, 3-time rejection. So
I want people
then reject him in a sentence and whether way Lisa and something there.
All right. Next.
There people then say they don't want him.
Who are run against Morgan? Robert Nesta Morgan.
Him a one new candidate.
Oh, the one we switch little fish.
No, man, one new one doctor. Classic classmate.
I know we don't know how we're on.
Oh yeah, we can't go at Terry Long now. We just alright, you know.
Yeah.
Reject.
Raymond Price.
Big fish.
Big fish in the ocean.
Lord Jesus. What's your name again?
Raymond Price.
Raymond Price.
Never know him.
Classic, you go vote for him, man. Stop one, so boy, you never know him.
So Raymond.
A classic classmate today, a classic so you never know him.
Alright.
Classic, them are this, not true.
Remain. Me go put, me not write up, but me put remain.
Classic, we have money I give up on the live here. Any comrade in the chat, we can tell we come up in the box and tell we where Andrew T from the taxpayer. SSL. They get 700 US.
Yeah,
Who
give
are
him, man.
Who are run against
Give man.
Franklin Witter?
I think I wanted a reject, but me not know him. Think me either him father run already or somebody.
Alright, we're gonna list the one they feel last. We'll add him to the list when we hear of anything, sure. Alright? Let's go on. Wheatley.
Welcome, people.
Andrew Wheatley. Who are run against him? I don't want rejection.
I'm not sure.
Our labor rights.
Classic.
The guy where I run, me never know him when I go to school, you know. I guess me did leave school before him come.
Oh.
No know him, me no know him.
Look more like you so
I know. Look like Dr. Life a hard life, brother.
Yeah.
I've got choppy line.
Which part you know say Damien Crawford I run now? Who him I run?
Him I run against Michael Phillips, man. And when I look upon the last time, Damien got what between.
Damien Crawford I run against.
I know Damien young me talking.
Damien Crawford, them a talk.
Oh, sorry.
When I send catch.
Warren Warmington.
But I think I was Damien young.
I want to reject him. I count so I didn't lose. I run back again.
We soon put him there, so with how would that talk about now? Who would that talk?
Damien Crawford.
Damien Crawford, yes. Which party am I run? How am I run again?
He missed so many time reject. He reject from Anne-Marie Val Eastern sitting. Again, and he may run somewhere else and he reject again.
Which MP am I run against now? That me I talk about. Yeah, alright.
Murder.
Which part of St. Catherine that?
Sanjay, you did it?
I think he might run in but say you Graham a member of parliament this so you know. So you Graham now go run back so Damien a run.
Probably you Graham might have the panelist, let me see.
I say you Graham I say you Graham a member of parliament.
Not west.
Right, so I say Damien Crawford and I know in just a wait cause to you Graham now run back. So
he must still rejection.
Yeah, my reject.
Lashika, Mark Golden, they go carry the whole of we got court. Remember, and then he go carry the motion in a parliament and they go pass.
Boy, you gotta hear my name first.
Candy me sir, yeah, politics. I hear politics a ball out. I don't mean
Politics can't draw out himself. Politics not fake.
No, I'm not in there.
Classic, we know so you always run your life asking every day.
Oh,
so any comrades in the life.
When they done with we?
I don't know if I realize still, you know. Comrade not come on for my life anymore, you know. I don't know
No,
if
but
I realize.
any one of them can come up and tell you where Andrew Thief
And which one is it there?
Right
And
now, me I
there
run
what
my
land?
program where my focus is to tell people about the achievements of this government. I don't have time for comrade none at all. None at all.
Because every
Then I make no
move we move, you know, they in
contribution.
all of the chat them, but the
Well,
cleaner, all of the chat them and them attack how Andrew thief and Andrew this and all. No, none of them can come up forget the $700 US. I mean 500 US a crutch me and you know any comrade can come explain and come with their facts.
Right, I could deal with this first one then, no.
Nah, throw me off for the balance, yeah. Wait.
Yeah, I could deal
Don't
with
Juliet Wellness. Wait.
I will go against it, I don't know.
No, wait, the may I put in which one I didn't get rejection from. I must say my 2-time rejection now. So wait. I'm not telling me Juliet Wellness constituency there for me, please.
Oh,
I remember all of them right.
East Rural, St. Andrew.
Alright. I count my list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rejection.
Any more rejection? Let me make a call and see if we are
You man a Patrillani. You man a Patrillani.
Yeah, man, give me nine, man. No,
You can't
no,
count
no put in pad more yet. My rejection too. I never win for JLP and no win cross if and he now win. So him a go in it too. So that is South St. Andrew.
And oh,
we are run against
Emmanuel. Yeah, South St. Andrew, South Chulani.
Oh, don't forget Peter Bunting.
Wait, no, we don't reach there so yet, man. We soon reach.
Remember, we left for Mobile once. Remember Harton, the young guy there.
We soon got down there, so.
One to the guy we are run against the Prime Minister. You not put him on already?
No, man, we don't reach to them yet. We don't reach a Kingston yet, you know. We just a travel.
St. Andrew Prime Minister there.
Kingston, so the same thing, it don't make a difference.
You want left for Harton.
You know, say I want to call me, they make a mobile if you find out they reject them from down there. but
you're serious. Why name? Paul Patmore, why name?
Arton, me know say Arton. But me no.
Why name? Paul Patmore.
How are you?
A Paul Patmore name?
Who's more?
No, but we can't sit down and play that.
Okay. We can give names of the PNP reject them from down a mobile. Like who was running there then lose, but they reject them. And then they put them like somewhere else.
Paul Patmore name though?
Yeah.
Patmore. He's running again down there. Why Andre? Why name?
But say me write this paper. Me type it up on my phone and send it go good. When I send it a picture of paper, I write in hand back.
No man, you have pretty time. We want you to type up and well put up it good. But we can come classic. What we are gonna do classic? You see? You did a classic?
Yeah, no one reject too. And him run against Marlene Malak.
Yeah.
Hello guys.
Yeah, man.
You send me a number. Send me a number in my inbox so we can have the meeting on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Somebody gifted me. Thank you, whoever gifted me.
Andre,
guys, you have to send me the number.
Why is Jamaica people?
Which part of St. James him run? Which part Marlene Malak?
It's torn. I was quite torn. It's torn. We don't say that might be a torn. I don't know the.
Why?
Politics.
Yeah.
Tell them, add them. You want to start a new WhatsApp group and add the people them so you can have the discussion or what?
Yeah, man, you can do that.
Wanna send me a number and we can do the WhatsApp.
West Central, St. James.
Classic, me I look for something there on YouTube, but me can't find it.
So which part him get rejected
Hello,
from?
not hear me?
Same place. Yeah, man, they might hear your Philippines.
Me not hear them respond.
We are here your Philippine. Just we are gonna send you the number and you just build the group. You are the PRO. You are the PRO for this.
Politics and Philippines, my number.
Yeah, man. No problem, bro.
Alright. Alright.
So who they run against that now? Barry a madman. Barry a madman.
You know, there is this person in central Clarendon, Carla Watt. Carla Watt, in my view, one of Dunce's councillors. The woman makes no contribution and really say, "Oi, yeah."
As I talk about that, you make me remember something. In my reject, you know, him, a farmer mayor, for PNP, Cian Barnes.
Oh, yeah. Cian Barnes are a reject. For real.
Are the first she they come?
Carla is her first time, but she a reject already.
So is a reject I run against Norman Dunn?
Somebody are writing in the comments about Peter Skin is against Juliet. What the problem?
Listen, you know,
Who is that Peter Skin?
They're on a champion.
Who I run against Norman Dunn? Is it a reject?
I'm not sure.
Alright, we get back to that.
Okay. But me need them because right now.
Let's say Cuthburn Flynn now. Reject.
Another reject.
Member of Parliament, they must.
Where she get reject from? Down at East Rural, down at July.
Yeah, I eat with them. Again, to sir.
We can't. We can't, man. Here what me just have to do. Basically, write that for the list as reject. And
So
then
you have our name?
yeah, me write her name. No type the name in the chat. Me write her name. Me write name on the list.
Name Joan Gardner Webley.
When we make the group, we just write out the constituency.
The man Duncan a reject from Central Kingston.
They ask me, but you know that hard figure. That no.
Joan Webley, you say?
Yeah. John Gardner Webley.
Add the guy. I just write the name and then we don't we add in the place that them. So we can know the constituency them after. So we go faster. Anyways, in the group we just put the constituency and everything. Because this will take longer than I thought if me do it the way they. Anyways, next.
Cian Barnes, Cian Barnes are go against Colonel Charles Jonas.
Ika. Ika.
We don't have Andre.
Candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, Marcia, we are here.
Andre Arton. He's still gonna run against
Malawi.
Okay, Andre Arton still gonna run against Malawi Ford.
Him the man, him the panelist. I have him panelist. Somebody else that tell me something. Prime Minister seat.
He did it.
How is name? Buchanan?
Paul Buchanan.
That's our one big old reject.
Reject from
In my top reject.
The man Duncan reject from Central Kingston.
Where him come from again? West Rural.
Guys.
West Rural, St. Andrew.
Now Mark Golden already. Reject.
You're not going with you, you know. You're not going to me.
Are you
Who politics?
Politics, you see who I make them sue you now? Classic.
I have nothing to give.
I will not.
Classic.
Somebody say Hilton
Oh, there's the next one. We say Flavor Beat.
Yeah.
Andre Hilton.
Yes.
So he might run again.
Oh,
we just have put him panelist.
We are there. I would see.
Classic. By
If nobody not rally behind you. If nobody not rally behind you when Mark Golden ready for sue, me they turn up behind you, you hear?
You say have your land paper. Your land paper.
Yeah, me not let you down. Yeah, me neighbor.
Lord.
What if I labor?
So which seat Dr. Cole are running at?
Dr. Cole have to put in tea first before we run.
Howard not running at none of the seat them.
What you say, Iman? But you know when me not go put Iman upon the list yet? Because me not see she name. Me not see she run for no seat yet. So me can't put her upon the list.
Jakarta Central Kingston.
No,
So me
don't put
can't
her upon. Don't put her upon.
Me nah put her upon the list because me not see her run for no seat. When me see her name sure, then me put her upon the list.
But remember, so then say she the run against Fable Williams this time.
No, Patricia. Patricia.
Winter was big reject, you know.
Oh.
Win a Christian.
Yeah, be true. When first name?
I mean, first name. I don't remember.
What bunting no dey on my list yet?
Yeah, we know.
Yes.
What you say bunting of the pan?
I me go right now.
Don't
Me just
let
write it.
Winter was big one.
So me say them a give Victor one different seat. Why name? Vaseline.
Vaseline.
I don't never come out for that like
I know Vaseline a PD the baby aisle. A PD the baby aisle. I know Vaseline.
Nah, make nobody come to me.
A baby aisle a shika, but Vaseline.
Yeah.
Why name? Calvin win or Ball win?
Even the vanilla Paula Shika.
No sir.
Yeah.
Why name? Two name me I see no.
Andre, put your name in a box.
Valin went.
Only the Val win. Alright. Boom. I saw my list big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright. That now still good.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Come again.
No. Classic. That now look good enough.
Now go kill me half, you know.
Yeah, you know so that. How much you say you have again?
So me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
17.
I mean, no say more than that, no.
No man, I will leave that.
They say,
When them done with me.
Senator say, my name when they wrote Kelly and I run again.
That's so much.
The one where when good on when they run for Kelly, I'm not run back again.
Oh, I'm not run again.
Oh, his name Valentine. Valentine.
There's this Richard Azan.
Yeah, me have him, man. Me have him.
Okay.
Me have him.
Boy, murder.
Ready for Samantha? Lad, take the case and give me the pillar, yeah? Let me think about no more else. Let's see.
I will leave that still now.
I'm more than they know, because we just not finalize some of them yet.
Man.
You put Imani Duncan sister?
Yeah, she did it.
You put him our brother too?
Our brother? DK Duncan? Son?
Yeah, him a labor right.
So why would I put him in, Carla?
No, a rejection you look for.
A rejection we I do.
Oh, I think
Penton Ferguson run?
No.
No.
Better about who I run now.
They put the big water motor man.
Who in a Portmore? Oh, Portmore.
People. Yeah. Only I'm Fenton Ferguson. What is
him something they beat.
What
What
is
lady
he,
name?
what is he significant for?
No. Oh, the baby.
Chicken Gonya.
Yeah, okay. Come here, wonder who name Fenton.
Chicken Gonya, the one who favor the mosquito then. Anyways.
Buckingham.
Me no, in I to the then come me know them not go happy to see that list there.
We have McNeil already, man. McNeil left on it already.
Yes, like how when Montre say lick Andres
Roman Price.
I saw this I go lick them.
Since them want go down, since them want go in a trench, we can go in a trench too. Show them how trench work. We go in a trench, but we go with facts. And we go with proper business. We don't go with an idiot business. Trench them want, trench them get.
Classic.
We have Raymond Price, man.
Classic.
On the list.
I'm here.
Which song now you go look for put? Oh, if you say we are go get to
A classic will look the song.
A classic will look the song.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Or we get Vegas and you know. So we want one nice song to go with it.
So now me I go name out the people them. We have Peyton Campbell. Yes. What ya? Raymond Simpson. No, we can't say Raymond Simpson now reject him because him never run. So we now give him a fair shot.
Who that?
We now put him in a rejection list.
Who that?
Raymond Simpson. Because the only reason I never run a because he's so we now say him a reject.
Wife and shut her pum.
You know, see, the second time Raymond Price will run against the guy Turlang. He run in a 2020 and he lose and he might run again.
Yeah, man.
And he run again, of course.
I know Raymond Price, me talk about Ryan Simpson. I'm not probably say it wrong. Yeah. Him just switch over to the PNP. Him never run, so we have to give him a fair shot. We now put him in the rejection. This is when them, you see, when him go against Matessa Muda now and them busting ass, then we can talk about rejection.
Never run yet?
No, him never run. Because remember when him did running at the general, remember say he was a JLP candidate.
We run him. He's a reject.
Well, we run him for real.
We run him, but the people them run him.
Yeah, you're right. Not put him.
No put him panel. Him not get no fair shot at election.
Peter Bunting can't win nothing down way. He look like a you. Sure. No, I make me rest me.
Mute the one there for me now, please. Because him only can listen and not type. Mute. Yeah.
But Peter Bunting not going. Winnie ask.
Who is going up against Desmond McKenzie? Let me know, please.
Me.
Okay. Alright, so I have 17. I'm going to work with them 17 if you know.
And them we have 17 and them how much seats to win? 19?
Yeah.
So Representative Jamaica really would have put in 17 rejects.
Somebody is saying Keith Walford. Who is this Keith Walford?
Him step down. I fear him step down, but that's based on this one about ministry now, but
how much rejects there are Westmoreland? How many rejects there are Westmoreland?
Westmoreland full of rejects.
All the reject them there Westmoreland.
Classic. Everybody are Westmoreland.
Everybody are Westmoreland reject.
What about the person who run against Bobby
Them on the list?
Yeah, man, them start the list.
Candy, what about the person who run against Bobby Montague?
Bobby Montague, who am I
in a St. Mary. I'm not sure. No, the person will go before we lose. Them a go back.
So we run against Tufton.
Reject again.
But who him?
Me not know his name. Not only that, I think Reject I go run. Delroy Chuck. Gonna reject I go run.
Sean, she and Alexis.
She and Alexis
Him a run against stuff done.
him run against Norman. Norman done.
Him a run again.
Guy, at this I gotta bring JLP home. When we get this song, I start today.
Well, Philip are there with this song.
It's like a Tony party.
And I can think I do the song
Oh,
again.
the doctor does. Oh, the doctor does himself.
Dr. Draws.
Him a reject too, you know.
Me carry little food Congo no when they like.
But we're not saying nothing about the people them. Listen to me. Baby, I'm not looking for them soon, yeah. So me do me time in a prison. Me go do it for me, Andrew. Andrew for win.
And them are like up Andrew, we say, well, we are going, I say.
Well, we are going there.
No, well, we are going. Oh.
I don't Lexi this. Well, somebody will say Lexi, you see, I don't Lexi.
Yeah, mess them up with some people name one of the
Alright, so me I go.
Cause politics I know that to JLP them we talk every day till we vice sound alike.
Boy, yeah, Ken, big old Ken, come on. What go on class?
Alright, so we took so have 17. Are they? Let me count again if we be certain. 1, 2.
That's if I got change him at half I am him.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Maggie, who want it?
So me I come out and make you bring up see HR selling in one box. So me I come
About
out.
Eastern St. Thomas. What about Eastern St. Thomas?
I think I told you candidate to go.
Them in here said the woman when they run against the girl Colonel.
Don't quote me on it. I don't.
She went JLP something like that.
Carla McLean is not over here. Run somebody Tinny. So no Carla not over here. So
Gladys, you are going now. We are work with who we know confirm. As them get confirmed, we add them to the list, little. So now we are dealing with who confirm. So when them add to the list, we go in and fill them profile. So we are dealing with it.
TM so.
So now we have 18 confirmed. So we are work with the 18. Eh?
You will be a walk away, that one there. Right?
Yeah.
Listen, just to show you how PNP supporters and stupid. You see? One of the rejects in my run going to Westmoreland. Westmoreland PNP can come.
So not that we go highlight.
Wait no man. One of the rejects in my run going to Westmoreland. And just to show you PNP supporters are so stupid. And the only thing they want is just to look good in an orange. Since PJ participated years, each PNP can count by Westmoreland support. Westmoreland nothing looks so in 2024. Westmoreland is supposed to be one of the most developed parishes. And if you go to Westmoreland look like Edney Ghost Town. Westmoreland nothing looks so man.
But remember PJ remember Parliament for Eastern. You forgot that? PJ when the member Parliament so much years at Eastern Westmoreland, you know, and not even water they never have.
Exactly, so much years. Westmoreland nothing looks so. Westmoreland and Hanover nothing looks so.
Alright.
In 2024.
Every night we are discuss two of them a night time.
I bring up in. Because we are going to say 50 people.
HR, see a night time. We have to start build grounds and to what we need to talk about and realize. Sometimes we need to talk.
Out of the 18 candidates, how much of them have criminal record?
No, we're not going to use the people for them vote, not that because they notice, look at PNP constituencies. No sort of development. The economy of the parish is the same for how many years? We don't need to get real, man. The PNP base, PNP supporters, we don't need to get real. As stupid and stupid.
Well, we have to highlight it.
Westmoreland nothing looks so in 2024.
Agree.
As the Labour come there, the only thing we could get from St. Thomas and Obia. As the St. Thomas are developed now under Labour.
I'm not lying, Marcel. I just
Alright, never start type it up here now. A business meaning.
I feel that you
Labour brought development and economy to St. Thomas.
Give me one nice list for the top part of the list. Reject what?
People used to afraid of St. Thomas.
Give me one nice heading, one heading where we grab people. I just want to put rejection.
Guy, come up with something.
I'm not say a classic, I do everything. But my Mark gonna come, Imuma come from.
Classic, me there for back you come.
Classic, I hear people when I like you.
You know, say, what if I tell her that just as me thing the page, my YouTube page get monetized, bam, it was taken down.
Yeah, that is a nice name. Recycle rejects.
Just as it start get monetized, you know, it was taken down.
Wanna agree with that?
Oh, nobody now hear me. Okay.
We hear your classic.
We mean classic. It was.
Classic, I hear your classic and I say, what?
I say YouTube took down my page.
Why did they give a reason?
Time I say, them say I violate terms and conditions.
YouTube at PNP.
Hold on, I did and wait 2.5 hours, I see come up back. Then send me a message with say boy. Them review it one more time and everything is good. Well, when I go through my videos, they took down, as I say, YouTube is a PNP. It's a PNP platform. They took down the video when I put up with PJ Patterson. I done Mark Golden. They took it down. And they took down the one that him Desmond Mackenzie. What I say Desmond Mackenzie enforced the equalization. What you call it? Equalization fund.
Where? On your TikTok?
YouTube.
Look here. Nothing more than the PNP than reporting.
Yes, that them do.
Nothing more than the PNP than reporting. Truth lick them.
So wait, the classic. What does that mean? You have to start from scratch now. If you decide to go again.
Oh, I tell us I'm gonna get it back.
Okay. Good.
Alright, so we're okay with recycled rejects. And ones are more fancier name.
Can work with that for now.
I will win at this together. If you said them make one, we go.
You will win night.
How much money the panel life? If not, remember say you are part of it, you know, so no matter how.
Over here giving name.
Exactly.
Over here giving name.
Shame, man. The PNP, the citizens of Westmoreland need to wake up. It's a god awful shame to drive through the parish. And PNP run guard down the data and Campbell and the back of them run guard down there for support. Only PNP don't to wake up and give the parish an opportunity to grow, reject the People's National Party because of how much years they down there. And they just down there sponge off on the phone vote the parish not look so in 2024.
I agree with you. Guys, I agree with you. I remember we not come from Westmoreland, you know, we just outside. We come from, and if we can see it, why people them down they can't see it?
Yeah, we are gonna do it now. We are gonna split up the sitting. We are gonna split up the work, you know, cause here we're going now. Some people are gonna get some constituency, and some are gonna get some. So here we have to do research, you know, and know what is what and what is be done in each constituency. So here we are. You understand me? I must split up the work. But we want accurate information. So we'll give somebody Westmoreland, we are getting experts in the person and come back and tell you.
Look here, Dujan, the best somebody if you get Westmoreland are Dujan.
And we want a person interview first. You must have at least 2 persons where you can tell about for them time in a office.
Yeah, you have to make the thing official. We can't
talk about Western Hanover, nothing you know do. Place run down like
no, no time to talk about it yet, Claudia. And no time yet. Get one book and one pencil. When I Hanover time. Right now, we want section to work. So if you know. Well, we can't get this if you don't know. We soon deal with that, yeah, man. So we're going to split it up. So we can have a fair discussion. So if a Philippine a command, like the Philippine a command, she get St. Catherine. She get such man. The swim around. And she talk. You get what you say, go come and you talk about the swim around. You understand? That's how we are dealing with it. And an experience, so we have to deal with it. So we think organized and we're not all over the place. And we make one nice flyer and put it up and share it. And make everybody come out. Make we think official.
Love that. I love that.
Alright, me go tune in now. Alright. I concur with what Candy is saying, but I think special emphasis should be placed on the rejects who were member of parliaments and lost their seats, because these persons were welcomed by the people, and due to their blatant disregard of the people's voice, the people's reject them. So I don't want us to only focus on the persons who were initially rejected. Yes, when them go up and get rejected, that's bad as well, because that shows that the people didn't see them fit enough to represent them. But persons like Mr. Bunting and Mr. Campbell, just off the top of my head, special priority should be placed on these persons who were member of parliaments and they are now rejected by the people. Wickham McNeil as well.
Ian Neil was a three-term NP.
Exactly. All right. So
and Wickham did it for over 30 years. About 30 years at Western Westmoreland, and they're rejected.
That's a brilliant. That's a thing.
That was
so
the aim.
The panel is getting what I'm trying to say, because it is all good and done, so we post them as rejects now, because guess what? Don't feel as if them now come say, yo, we should labor right man MP for all long and this and that. Don't think that they're not gonna do that, because some of the time we tend to behave as if we are infallible. But I want you guys to understand that, look, this is a good thing. We need to show the people of Jamaica that these politicians who were rejected, we don't need to take them back. And the ones who are in power, who are doing the work, like, me hear everybody say, this a man their work, that the man their work. We need to keep them in a power because they're actually doing the work. You understand what I say? So that is just my little take for now still.
Yeah, man. Sound good.
Yes, but Sanjay, you say you can communicate the message, and I believe we should communicate the message.
Yeah, we need to make the group and organize the panel.
But you can't open somebody's head space and put the message in it. You understand? We must realize with PNP supporters, especially, the die-heartedness on both sides, you know. But you see, PNP supporters, they don't vote on issues and achievements. They don't vote. They just want to see the orange. That's all. That is enough for them. They just want to see the orange.
Right now,
that's all.
Right now, we're not focused on the PNP voter, them, you know. But right now, if you check the ratio, you have a heap of people undecided. At the undecided, we want to reach. And then if you have a little few, them we want to come over, well, them come over. And the labor rights, them need to go vote.
Candy, let me interject on that. The other day, I was having a conversation with a friend of mine. Don't mind the noise, but they are roadside, so vehicle pass. And I was saying to this friend of mine that, look, what us Jamaica Labour Party supporters and bloggers and everything need to look at Now look on the poll numbers where I say PNP a leader or whatever the shit that may be. Look at the undecided numbers. I don't know if anybody else looks at it, but every time the poll comes out, the undecided numbers tends to go up. And ask ourselves if what we're doing is reaching these persons. Because our ultimate aim and goal should be to get to these persons, the undecided ones who not decided yet what they're gonna do. So we need to show them, say, yo, sticking with this government is the better way to go.
Alright, so me just go put Westmoreland.
Sanjay, I agree with you, yeah? Let
Yeah,
us
we
not
do agree with you.
let us not ignore that comment. I strongly agree with you.
Yeah, man, I always said undecided voters them will have to reach because the dieted them is just going to be dieted. So we have quite a few where we jump out. Dieted are gonna always be dieted. That is just it. Alright, so
Classic. You busy?
Yeah, man, I'm busy like bees. How are you going?
I'm live, me gotta tell you to go.
Oh, I go live 7 o'clock.
Okay.
I don't compete with nobody with live space, brother.
Brother, no compete anytime you want. Me tell you about that foolishness.
Yeah, me tell us, brother.
Brother, over 5. Hold on. Over the last election, and near 4,000 people vote for Labour, right? So anytime a man feel like go live, just go a whole heap of Labour right out there.
Yeah, now that she's gone, go check it
I
out.
have a 7 o'clock program. I have somebody I'm interviewing tonight.
Okay. So, me I got done. Me I go meet when me if gone at 3:30 and me not come out of the house yet. But tell them about the meeting later.
I'm an MP caretaker for Southern St. Catherine. Let me try for.
hello, my friend.
I just picked it up. You don't mind.
But guys, remember say a teamwork, you know, man. So anytime you go on and wanna see somebody live, we support the live, but we not have to have no time period. Cause I said today, we never plan to come live.
Yeah, man. So Delroy Dabney, MP caretaker for Southern St. Catherine, he will be on tonight at 7:30. You know, me start at 7.
Okay.
So we have to, once I want caretaker, we have to give him the highlight. We have to give him the highlight, we have to promote him and thing. But when you can do, people, send me on a number.
Oh, let me get the farmer now.
Can they send me a number, yeah?
Yeah, man.
I'm thinking. But Classic I go live 7 o'clock, guy. Classic, as what me always say, Classic now get no pay. Me now get no pay. We just had this, you know how long me to come out of the house. But we just love what go on. And we want to see the country continue. So we give up with time.
Yeah, what you say?
For me, me not these people, you're not going to hear me over here cussing up PMP. You're not going to hear me cuss the opposition and no member, that's not me. But me pick my side, me pick a JLP and nobody has to have me. Nobody has to know me, because me not tell you who fit. I would want you to vote for the JLP, but if you don't see it, vote for who you want to vote for, but I'm not for the disrespect.
What is it? What's these? Oh,
But Me love what go on. Me love what go on. And we say third term. Third term is a must.
Alright, so here the format that I'm start use right now. So I have recycled reject, right? Then I put rejects to Westmoreland. Then I put Dayton can be rejected in Northwestern. And then I put no running in Western Westmoreland.
No, make we discuss it last year and then we go further with it. But you have done a wonderful job and thank you for your time. And we certainly follow up on this. And so our labor right, pick up on a clean self, continue to do the work, and we say shower. Pick up on yourself. Join in classic at 7. I don't know if Chuck will go live, but let's see how we go. So sooner or later when I come back, if nobody in the live, then I'm in love when the space empty. Now big up on yourself, people.
Yeah.
You see, now that money.
We are committed to completing the local government reforms which we embarked on when we were last in government but have stalled under this government. We will implement the commitments made in our local government election manifesto to empower our municipalities to deliver high-quality government and services to the people in the municipal corporations. Jamaicans are tired of the impunity of those who hold political power.
So Doreen, when you come up here and just share my life to be a labor right for? I'll be at them, I see a jump up. Huh? You come up here and share my life to be a labor. I don't understand this. I don't understand this.
Public officials must be held accountable, and there must be transparency and openness in the conduct of national affairs and reasonable protection of privacy in personal life. I am very concerned about the insidious abuse of the data protection. Protection Act by state officials to restrict disclosure of potentially damning information in which there is a strong and legitimate public interest. First, it was to hide the details about the waste of taxpayers' money to make massive rental payments for an unoccupied building to a private owner. Then it was to hide information about the salaries being paid to the former DPP, whose extension in office was ruled unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, and to the person who was appointed to act as DPP pending a permanent appointment.
Take a look in Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If you see the really place, and you want the piece out of me, but one second.
There is no accountability for non-performance in this JLP administration. Government negligently allows critical boards and tribunals to grind to a halt because of failure to make appointments when the terms of those boards expire.
That is it.
The Early Childhood Commission, the Access to Information Appeals Tribunal, even the Public Service Commission itself have been examples of the government falling asleep at the job. And ministers desperately seek to pass the buck when a passenger falls sick and dies at our largest airport without any prompt medical response or even an ambulance to take him to hospital in time to try and save his life. Corruption is rampant at the highest levels of this government. You will remember during my budget presentation when they tried to prevent me from saying some critical things about governance, even shutting down the sitting of Parliament. Well, I went on the street and I said what I had to say, and I will say it here again.
Yo, the boy up here. Yo, me Jenna come in at the box. Man or woman, I don't know who you be. The boy up here. Yo, hello. Hello. Then back on next request here. Then back on next request. Me know man. Me see want somebody come up here and share the live about 5 to 6 or 7 times. Some people have gone share the live about 5. Yeah, so again. Brenda. Comrade Shay, I saw. Comrade Shay. Oh, the blood clot I want. Brenda.
Big up, comrade, big up.
Big up.
Failure to disclose the identity of the so-called illicit 6 MPs who are under investigation by the Integrity Commission for illicit enrichment remains a festering sore, only made worse by the Prime Minister's gag order on cabinet ministers speaking publicly on these matters. But wait, comrades, I have to rewrite that part because it is no longer 6. It has gone to 8. So let me say it again. The failure to disclose the identity of the so-called illicit 8 MPs who are under investigation by the Integrity Commission remains a festering sore, only made worse by the Prime Minister's gag order on his cabinet ministers and MPs speaking publicly on these matters. Comrades, I had to hurry up and say that a second time, because before we reach and finish here today, maybe it will move from 8 to 12, the way how the number of labor rights illicits seems to multiply like gremlins. And comrades, now we have a second Integrity Commission report on the Prime Minister, sent to Parliament, but not yet tabled for the public to see, with little bits of it being selectively leaked to JLP allied media houses. We will put a stop to such shenanigans. We will change the law so that all Integrity Commission reports must be published on Parliament's website within a short time, perhaps 24 hours of being sent to Parliament, so all Jamaicans can read those reports. Comrades, comrades, it is time to change these things. Accountability and transparency matter, and that is change. When the PNP forms government, our job is to create an environment in which Jamaicans can thrive and achieve their versions of the Jamaican dream. Every Jamaican must feel well cared for and enabled by their government. We must invest and build an efficient and caring public service with short wait times, giving value for the taxes that you pay. We want a Jamaica where our people don't pay to migrate to foreign because I so nice.